feel release them. I get the pictures. They did my Snapchat. Mama twist. I beg, man, send you my email. Man, send you my. I beg, no verse. I'll say. You know, say they give you evidence. I want to send you my email. I beg. I want to send you my email now. For WhatsApp. If you log in Snapchat, forget password. They'll send me code. I'll give you the code. You get a lot of things.
Send I give your best. Send I give your best.
Okay. All right, I will send and give it because I get a lot of evidence for there. From 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024 to date, you understand? They are there. You understand? Even when she come down with fly for Bergamo. So I call those people. She no say I still get that Snapchat. Oh. Now there my evidence, they full where. You understand? Woman will say I know they take care of her. Now there many people go for see I tell they take care of her. I will tell they move together with cars. But when she born Jasmine, hospital where she for about Jasmine. The day when she bought Jasmine, all the videos did there, everything did there. When I take carry my Pikin wear clothes, when man they wear, if a woman won't born for a side hospital, everything did there, bro. When I take call my friends for Bergamo, but we go out, we go enjoy, do everything did there, bro. I know they fake them, they did there. Now Snapchat of almost 5 years now. You understand? So that very period now, I can't call tell and say, man, I talk to the social. When I come talk to the social, I can't tell them say, okay, right, this now, what you now want, make I provide. They can't tell me say, me I already know because when she don't fit tell me, now me go do that contract. They can't tell me say, well, that man show them the contract. You understand? When I tell the work, that contract now can snap, send, give Mama Melody patient can't show them. When patient show them, they can't say, okay, they go allow patient to go. They can't say, make I show them my house. I can't show them the apartment. Tell them say, now my apartment, no be my apartment, now 1 room a day. They can't allow them. They buy ticket for her. She come down for Bergamo Airport. The day when she come down for Bergamo Airport, between me and God and my ancestors, bro, now small luggage when Melody cloth no fit. Now this woman take come down where she carry her cloth and Melody cloth. Small luggage that she carry come my house. But when she come off my house, she left with different luggages. So when she come down, I go Bergamo Airport. I go pick them. All those pictures they did down my Snapchat. When I pick and call this my Yoruba, this my 1 room. So already before I come, I don't talk to this Yoruba man, say how far, see what it is up, or my woman will like join me. He say, okay, right about now, my woman will feel can't join me, but my woman won't come join me. He will increase the salary, the house rent. Now I say to how much? He say he go feel the collect like 300. If I say 350, now say bros I beg, put 50 euro. You know, say I go say they pay light bill. He say now that won't be the problem. Say me go they pay light bill and gas bill. My woman go they pay light bill and gas bill. God. Now I say okay, no problem. I risk him. I bring the woman in. I start to pay 300 for rent, my light bill and gas bill, a light bill and gas bill. You understand? Those times, so problem never deal. I just tell on say how we start to. So, but I see the red flags, but I wasn't giving an eye, you know, to those ones. But I was just thinking maybe it was normal. But I later realized there was nothing normal there. God was giving me signs for me to calculate my steps and know how to move them. So that period now, she can't stay with me for us. That Melody Godmother can't say, I can't tell her say, I need apartment. This woman, she and Melody Godmother know they talk. Not be say that they quarrel, but she know they like. Today, she get one time when she go, they tell me, say, make her know they talk to Melody Godmother. I say the woman too, they ask questions. And I say, I leave her now, make she they ask questions. Now, about for person to ask question. This woman, they deprive me, make her know they talk to Melody Godmother. Because she said the woman was so nice to me. She was buying me things. Even before she came down, she already don't buy me fridge. Before this woman come down, Melody Godmother don't buy me car. 9,000 euro. I said, they buy that car. To God who made me. Even if, yes, now me she buy her for now my car. If I say now my car, not be you buy her for me. She did Sardinia where Melody Godmother buy me that car. He buy me the car before this woman come. Before this woman come from Sardinia, come meet me for Bergamo. I get the pictures. The month when she come down for Bergamo, it did my Snapchat. The month when this woman buy this car, you understand? It did my Snapchat. Now different months. She buy the car before this woman come down. She don't buy me things. Not because of Melody. Melody know they stay with me that time. They stay with you. You understand? So when she come, that car now will continue to move. I can't tell the woman say I need apartment. Money day in my hand. The woman can't go find apartment. That very period, the woman was assisting me because me, I know they like too much talk. I they like talk matter. I say they good. The woman they assist me well to God. They assist me. She was supportive, but the jealousy came in the sense of say now true shit this woman take come, but the woman can't assist me. Now where the jealousy pass come now be that. Say the woman know they carry her face. The jealousy come pass, come say how person go come out for jete. You come be like say you come collect wetin where she for supposed to the chop. Oga no be me cause am. The woman was supporting me. Then I was supporting you, supporting the children, the kid, the child. You understand? So inside the matter now, the woman come help me find apartment for Trezo Sudada. He said that Trezo Sudada, so we can't get one room self-contained. Now there we can't stay, we can't go there. That was my first apartment. Under the influence, say, Mona reason and say, if I still say, let's say for real, I know be one carry this woman come back for Sardinia. But she did here. You think say this woman not go do all those things for me?
All the evil women when be no one comment since as una don't hear free call of una begin dey comment. Una be evil, sha.
Yes, I go send you the car. I get the car. I get everything, bro. I know they lie.
Una be evil, women. Una be. I swear, many of una be evil. They need to tell them, don't shoot, una die.
You understand? Mona wait, I bet.
Let her talk, oh.
I bet, but you wait, you go talk, we dey talk something.
It's not the one side you hear. You don't hear the last side. You will wait now. You don't want to share.
Mama, I bet. Let me say.
All of them, not be comment. So when they talk about the woman, they not be comment.
Last person we want talk this man. You don't even back on yesterday. You don't be saying that.
Drop all the ballot points. And they drop all the ballot points. Play talk.
I bet Mona let her talk.
You tell me say now me una dey wait for make I come.
Bros, may you it was say you feel saying pitch or call for that make I say that go paddle but most see whether he really they go paddle by any boyfriend or no boyfriend now.
Don't talk your
if I feel collect her picture.
All right, bros, no problem. All right, King, I know I thank you very much because I know say you see all those times so what we talk about say she they go outside because all those ones now things when I see for our phone where Zaddy they talk show because I talk to Kenneth. Even when I did Vicenza, me and Kenneth talk. Kenneth tell me say, you know what Kenneth tell me? To God who made me. Kenneth say, when I talk to Kenneth for Vicenza, he said after we lose us for Bergamo, he said na Esther, now they spoil patient, which is the one where senior patient where they Vicenza. He said na she they spoil patient. He said na waiting Esther do am where the day house. Esther switch am go meet John C because in night the date patient. Before John C come enter patient life. Now because of say things no come good for Ram, Kenneth, now make Esther come tell and say make he follow John C. Just like as things come take day somehow for me that period. He feel me so. The family can't dey against me. Now Kenneth be referred to me that very period. So I never reached that side. So inside the matter now, that very period, my Lord the Godmother come get house for me for Trezo Sudada. Because when I look on, I talk am again. She buy fridge for me. This woman, this Sardinia. She buy that car. This woman, this Sardinia. She never come down. And if I decide, say, I tell this woman, say, I don't want melody mama again. Now so it go be. She no go come my life. I abandon her for that Sardinia. And this woman will keep investing in my life. She was investing in my life because that was when the jealousy started. Because how you go be say person where this side just come outside, can't just collect person from outside. Where you and I don't know. Yes, she was a godmother to Melody right from the days Melody was being given birth from Monza Hospital. But which is when you know this woman, give an account of one thing this woman has ever bought for you. There was nothing. This woman has never bought anything for you. For 3 years, you gave birth to Melody 2018, 30th of March. 2019, 30th of March. That's 1 year. 20th of March, that's 2 years. 21. 30th of March, that's 3 years before I know this woman. And when I knew this woman, that was when she started buying things for me. She find an apartment for me. Because you know why I find an apartment? He can't tell me, say, he wants me to come up for that one room. As I can't accept, say, I need patient. More go that Trezo Sudada. We can't do there. Now, there we can't deal. That place now I can't get work. That very period, so, bro, say, may I tell you the truth, I not get party where they drive. I was just okay, make I just do one. They use and they go work. Honestly, I find work for Treasure so that they work. I get my booster pack. They did my email. I go send it for you, Auntie Mama Best Mommy. They get my email best because many of my booster pack and my email they send it come that year. So all the booster pack I find they put for ground, screenshot them. I'll send it quick for you. Best way to you say I know they work. Listen. That very year when I come outside, my documents can expire. Now outside for expire, I can't go put on for renew. For Treasure soon rather, now for put on for renew because I need an apartment for me to take put the document for renew. You understand? So when I can go put my document for renew for poster for Milano Questuria, I can't still go find work. I can't work. Every Sunday, we dey carry all of us go bath, enter car, we snap, we can't go. So now me call ask this woman, say, okay, right now we can't get apartment. What be the next level? Because we need to think, because we get Pikin, we know how it be. This woman, to God and bro, if I lie, as I come this Europe, just like I said, I come to this platform to say the truth and nothing but the truth. May the God I serve will bring me to Europe, make it buy me weakness. When I asked this woman, what do you want? She said, right now, first of all, he said, me no say she wait for me. That's okay. Upon all the red flag, when I see you, I accept, I lock up. Then, I can say, what you want? She said, she no want born second Pikin if I not do her marriage. To God who made me. Okay, there, one of my ouchie guy, where they stay near that city, is my weakness. That guy supported me with 100,000 naira. I don't say me and that guy get issues last. Okay, they supported me with 100,000 naira. It was my weakness. Let me tell you why. Okay, they supported me with 100,000 naira. Then I wasn't financially stable. You understand? I was still trying to make up. You know, you just feel me. So okay, the guy there, so okay, the guy when I tell you say support me with 100,000. Although say me and I get issues, and the truth I don't talk. He just come and say, "Nah, right, Baba, he just there so." But bros, I did, bros. No verse, I beg. Say I mention your name. Now something I dey talk. Just there, you go feel me. That very period, this guy say what way there. He dey come our house. You know how we take day. Now I come ask my patience. How far? What you say you need? He say no one born again. Born second Pikin say I not do a marriage. Now I say why you need this marriage right now? So you know say me and you come as I need to just round up things. Man, you wake up small. You know. He say me no say I wish no be say I go jete. My senior brother wife will never do marriage before her, which is my brother wedding Napoli. Emperor wife. He said because I wish not be say I did jetel. Sandra for no fair marry before her. She's a jealous person where be say she's just like that. Now I say okay now because of say Sandra first you marry now. He say because of say he know say me I the hustle. And because of say I get and Chuchu she know the kind of person I am. I the hustle. And Chuchu if not be say I and that issues where cousin I for quick marry am before Sandra. Now true she talk. And me come look and say okay this woman she came with points, okay, and secondly, she proved another point that she waited for me for years before I came out. Okay, let me prove it to her. Then I say, okay, right about now, how do we start? He said, I need to talk to her father. I don't know, say that very period, so she and her father, they're not in good terms. She and her family, they're not in good terms. Listen, all those ones, and later I can't they know all those ones. She and her family, they're not in good terms. Now I can say, okay, make she call her papa, man, talk to her. He's gonna give me her papa number, I call her papa. When I know what her papa tell me, her father say whether since when I know her daughter, now be the time when I go decide say I won't call her. God, that word pay me for a year. I remember my papa when don't die. My papa died 2010. Tears come off from my eye because you know why tears come off from my eye. I say because I know I did one side, I just come one side. This man no say I did one side. Because I definitely know say even when she born this Pikin, the man go ask the daughter, say, where the papa of this Pikin? Man not tell me, say, they no ask now. He go tell the papa, say, they one side. The man say, whether now, me can't know, say, the Pikin get family. I mean, no day outside. What's the level? Now, so we contact Lance. I not talk, I can't tell and say, Papa, that is no verse. And I not even explain myself. I just Lance, no verse. I can't just change the matter. And so what they do. You understand? He can't tell me, say, okay, first of all, if you want to talk about okay, the way they so he they aware of this thing when I want to talk. If not lie, how cheap people where they made a call, they made a ask him. I no go lie for this woman head. If papa say make I pay him 2 million first before we go talk about marriage. To God who made me, now make this okay, the way they supported me with 100,000, if not more than one of the leaks, you know. Okay, the day. You understand? He supported me with 100,000. I got to the man say, 2 million too much now. At least now marry, I won't marry for the house. At least he's supposed to tell me the procedure. Not be say you can't request 2 million for my hand. Now say you won't sell your daughter for me. You don't feel me so. He say me no say you go still do your own. Yes, even if you won't do your own, it's supposed to be corporate. You're not supposed to say I will deposit money. You understand? You don't know whether I get the money. And secondly, I go still do my own for this side. If the man say, he go do his own for us, say he go kick out, he go carry meeting, he go carry all, and say, we wahala God. Now I can't go meet this organ. They come my house when my friend, my community person, They come my house, I can't come meet am, I come follow and talk, okay, they see you. See, okay, they deal with me. I don't feel like I repeat and girl, those with me and the guy get issues. Okay, they deal with me. He deal with me, he comfort me. He say, bro, no what I go support you. I can't tell this man, say, I beg, I go fit give you 1M. He said, no, 1.5. We beg this man. I can't come my senior brother for Nigeria, Sani.
Family business.
But listen now, I can't call Sani for Nigeria. Now I tell Sani say, man, forget the woman. My mama say, make I forget this woman. Say they no support this marriage. I no agree. My mama say, no, he no want the marriage. I say, no, mama, you just leave this one for me. Man, do one. Now, what's I want? My mom still warn me. My family, they warn me. I no agree. Because of I say, make I marry woman. They warn me. My mama no agree. He said, I no go pay anything. Okay, thank you, Ogede. We did all we did for the love of God. Thank you, Ogede. Thank you, say you did commercial. God go bless you. Anything you put on, he go move for you. God go bless you. Now, this guy, now support me with money for that thing. When I feel raise money, send, give that man. Because start to the planties. This man, this guy, this Ogede supported me. He was one of the men in suit. He supported me all through. Even money that I sent to my family. Made they take go buy things, carry transport. I still send money go give her family. I buy clothes for my side. They buy clothes for their side. It was all my money. This woman never supported with a dime. Ogede, you did comment section for here. If patient ever support us, me and you for that marriage, come outside, write down for comment section. Patient never supported with a dime. She not support us. We did everything. Ogede was by my side. Now be my evidence. So that very period, the house what we did, na condominium house. Ogede know the house. So Melody godmother, I can't tell her say I won't marry patient. He can't tell me say okay. But this house, we not go fit use and do marriage because na condominium house. That woman, bro, to God who made me, that woman go buy house because of me. Where they here? She buy me fridge first. She buy me car. Ogede dey aware of this thing when I tell her. She can't go buy house because of me. Not be because of patience. Una dey listen. He buy me fridge. He buy me car. Before I bring patient for Sardinia, come. I want to tell you how come about those cars. You understand? Me, I know this ability to change my own. I go knock on straight. We go know the fault. You understand? The woman go buy me house. He buy the house. He say if he buy this house, me I go dey pay am small. Instead of me to go buy for bank. Now she okay. Also with that car where she buy me so. Now she okay. Say man make I just focus for life. Man just dey do my things. I say okay. All those why when she dey do all those things for me so one thing she no do for patient too. She never do anything for patient and lie. If you do get anything when the patient come outside, say that Melody godmother do for her, make it come outside, can't talk am. Nothing. She was not working. The jealousy was there because the woman was assisting me in every angle. She was assisting me. Before we come up for Trezo, I tell you what happened. That period, I could use my card, they can't go a former camp. We call no Mama Des, Mama Ghost time. That Mama Ghost time now, me no say he get one or two kurukere waka where all of them they do. That period, Mama Ghost time could tell me say she won't go Nigeria, she won't go Nigeria. Now, see what you want to go do for Nigeria. You just can't be like person where they push. Oh yeah, go Nigeria. I said, no, go Nigeria now. I'll carry the woman, come my house for Trezo. I'll comfort her, I will talk. That very period, now Mama Melody, bring Mama Destiny. He can't tell me, say, he get one woman who go fit help us do something. When I check, this woman, I don't see her today before, no be me see her eye for native doctor matter. I don't hear how Mama Destiny to enter the picture. Now I want you between I swear my papa will dey grave. If I lie, I swear upon her. Mama Destiny, because say he gets one woman, they help people they work out for Nigeria. Now say who be the person? Say now Mama God's time will give us the number. He can't bring the number. He can't collect the number. He don't already collect the number on my behalf. He can't call the woman. Now comes and say, what did the woman they do? He said they help and they help people they work out for us for Nigeria. And I say waka go where? Native doctor, he say yes. Now say power don't die, now they call. I know the life of woman head. I get, see, if I lie for woman head, I get life to live. May God bear me weakness. I tell her, say, I don't need. I collect the phone, I block the woman, delete the number. When I listen on. That year was 2021 ND, November. When Melody Godmother come buy that house, he can't carry us. I beg go off the comment section. People they comment where they say, which are they talk if not lie, they go see it because I get
On on comment section, I know me.
Man, I want the comment section.
Don't worry, forget comment section. Go on. Not your worry.
No, because they talk saying they go they talk saying a lie, they talk, you feel me? So because I get many people where they say all those why when they tell you so that they all of us we did together, they come our house. Now be that okay, they eat day and want make it a year so that anybody I for talk like make it talk right and saying a lie, you talk, my brother. You feel me? So let me see me the honor. So Melody go now come buy house. He tell me say like this now. He no go lie more do the marriage for you. Now me still tell him say I want do marriage oh when me can buy house because she see how they work. You feel me? So say I go dey pay am small instead of paying bank. I say okay. So inside the matter now, more still do the wedding for that side. She can't really buy the house. We can't pack go there. Okay, the wedding here so they come the house with the day. So we can't plan the marriage November. My mom see, I get issues with my family, bro, because of this marriage. They see, family enter my body to God who made me. Now because of this marriage, I make family enter my body. What make things come get pay for me? This woman, when I say I marry, the thing, that very period so when we can't do marriage. I'll tell her how she can know. How person will tell us this matter. Now still the mama destiny where she can still later break come back again 2022. Now I can't tell this matter say. Where she go, she not there for tell and say, now my family side they for enter my body because of the marriage, because my family side don't like the woman. So based on that, they are picking and not listening to them. I made them enter my body. When I listen, no matter how long go, not be made it. After I will go here, matter now. I say I will break the table, make everybody your chi. We did another lie. So now today TikTok, everybody's matter I want me come up for TikTok. So I don't want to talk again. And my last word with this. I believe everybody where they everything when I talk. You understand? Everybody where they go understand what you had to talk. So we can't plan the marriage. For my side, bad my mama can't reach one certain period. My mama say she don't want go. Say she don't want go. I beg my mama, I send her money. Bros, I did do transfer. Mom say I beg, I did beg her. They don't wait for that side. Carry things, go that place. I send money. This one when I did tell her, so this woman dime no deal. Oh, when I did watch her, see, right from 2016 till when I did talk rich now, so I want naira no enter my hand though. Apart from 50 euro, which she can't put for me for prison before I start to work. Okay, I can't beg my mom see before my mom see. Can't carry all those things. They can't go oro me. Where they reach to me, everybody happy. They do, we do. The marriage was successful. You know, it was successful. So along the line, 2022, early 2022. Stop now, please. I don't disturb me now, mama. So 2022, that was February. After the marriage, it was successful. Everybody was happy. You understand? So 2022 February, I want to enter that game matter now. Me, I know they use anything they hide for anybody. Bros, now matter you that jete matter, bros. Now 7 years now they knock now, bro. Now God now do one when it take come down, bros. God do one. They said that 7 years, bro. God do one for that 7 years. See that I go up, they knock 4 years come out. They knock 3 years fair come out. You got to make 4 years and 4 months. I still go up again. God still do one. They knock another 1 year come out. Now the remaining one I can't do when I come outside, bros. Now grace, no be say I know they talk and say I just the put blame for person body. I'm talking about my life when I live with this woman. You understand? With all the stress, red flag, but I never give up. But I keep my head up and keep going. Hoping say it go better someday. Even when I know they get support from her, I was all alone. You understand? February, now some of my friends they can't call me. They can't tell me say okay, they get birthday where they go for Milano. Man, join the help. Now that get parts I want enter so. Now cause okay. That time, that melody godmother car, so that time she can't collect the car from my hand that period because I can't use the car. I don't get license. I can't use the car to carry motor from town. When she collect the car, he can't go park the car. I can't go buy my own car. The car when I come buy, that be the one when I come say give King Solomon 500 euro. Before I can go buy another 2-door. Before I buy that 2-door, I can buy that car when I say 500 give my friend. Because I just sell and give him like that because he say he needs something to go. They do spacer, buy food store because now village in the state. Now my guy. Because I buy that car, it's 1,500, be 2,000 plus insurance, they go 3,000. You understand? So because now something I say I wanted to go work. So now that car I can't drive go Milan, go carry my friends, we can't go Milano. So we can't do the birthday. That birthday now for meet this girl. This girl is stay in Milan. I don't know whether she get Pikin before. Now I not tell you say I go meet her for her so. I don't know her baby father. At that time I call it time, you know, say the guy did Vicenza. And Vicenza from Milano to Vicenza is about 2 hours, close to 3 hours. And this girl now, she dey stay camp. You understand? So that night after the birthday, my guys can't tell us say, I can't say the girls they can't they go club where they back of Centrally. Get one white club where they there. It just they close to Centrally train station. Now that club we call of us can't go. We enter that club. We can't date chi. Now I tell you know that girl. I be that. So we can't deal. As this woman can't tell no say I know that girl. When I can't know that girl, so this woman can go carry Mama Destiny when I block before. He can go call Mama Gostine for. Now Mama Gostine, I come in last year for France. To God who made me. Anything when they talk for months. Now wait till I hear from those people. Now me they talk for year. If I know hear them, I can't know all those things. Person know the frame things they talk. Even if person they frame things they talk, not be the way I tell they talk fluently like this. At least they go still know what the person frame. I don't know, say Mama Melody don't go call Mama Destiny, Mama Ghost time for Sandro. Tell her, say, make him give her Mama, say a problem don't start for her marriage, oh. Say one girl for us, I will collect her husband. Say make he give her Mama Destiny number. Now I take collect Mama Destiny number again. He can't begin to do, he can't begin to call. Already that period, so, this woman, bro, say, when we start that time, I did do my things online. Money they enter, all they enter now, they still they work small work. Bros, that period, I call for open after the marriage, before the traditional marriage, when Owo they enter, before I meet this girl, I open business for them. All those, the traditional beads where she take use, that traditional marriage, first one do traditional marriage, all those clothes where the person they wear, all those beads, that bead, so that picture when I sent for you, Mama Twins, all those beads, both the one where the man they wear, everything, kuku, both the white bead, and different beads she gets. Let me give her money, roughly close to 5,000 euro. Now give her for that business, bro. Okuku and all of the day. I can still give her extra money again. Which she take go start human hair business. Human hair business. When she the open man. Even her sister where they Vicenza. When she come Europe now, her sister this patient now I'm jealous. Now jealous the warrior because now patient first start human hair business before you the hear sunshine hair plug because you know what me tell you. Sunshine hair plug no dead here because the girl dey Nigeria. Now 22 February now she come before she enter Europe. This patient don't tell human hair. So that influence now they take enter human hair because the guy dey Vicenza Tony. You know they do business. Only business when they do now market they sell for Vicenza. White. You understand? Now they sell for that house. When the company this girl come, he they sell white, the girl they sell Igbo. We know the story. We not just want to talk. You feel me? So more just look up for that side. I just pour this one because based on say me no couple I say now only me now only me you know say now when the one when I do that time when I take go jet 10 I didn't know the one where the family they do you understand they know they see that one so more lock up. So inside the period now that period when after I open that business this woman bro for my house I dey pay light bill I dey pay gas bill I dey pay water bill I dey pay Melody school fees I dey do spacer plus we go. You get one guy where they call B&T for Bergamo. B&T, he get shop, store for Bergamo. Yesterday, he come my live stream. He sent me a number. I say, make I call him. He say, he no like what they go on. Say, if you be saying what I talk, now what this woman actually do, it no make sense. Bros, B&T, now they carry that beats come outside. When B&T carry that beats for Nigeria come, bros, I pay B&T close to 700 euro for load when he carry come for mama for patients. Now they carry load come for us. Even food stuff, B&T. If that guy for Bergamo, anybody when no B&T for Bergamo, make call and say, now true say, one guy with the come Murphy, now you the carry load come for him. That guy will tell you, say, chop money for my hand. For load. This woman, bros, I dey cut money for this woman every week. Sometimes like the way woman go tell you say I wan buy something for us, 200 euro. Sometimes I dey send money for my app for her. I dey give this woman cut every week. I dey give her sometimes 150, sometimes 200. To God who made me. All those money when I dey give you, person wey carry you come and 5 million say you will pay am. Before I start that business for her boss, I call this woman to order. I ask her, say, you need business or you want make I pay this your 5 million? She say, make I open business for her first. Because that man wey carry her call Europe, where they call Duma, the papa call it, even the brother for Nigeria, Jude, they call it, go meet the man. They call ask the man, say, how much you want me to pay? The man first say 3 million. Then the man say later say na 5 million. Before I start that business, bro, between my papa where they grave, even the family don't know what they go on for the marriage, but they only see the picture, but they don't see the inside of the pictures. You understand? That's why I try and explain better. Now I can say, you need the business, or man if pay this man money. He say make I give her business, so at least if they do things for there, she go feel the gather up, go to the pay the man. I say, okay, alas. People don't know why I forget about that money. I don't take them serious again. Because I already made plans. I ask you as a woman, you want make I pay this man or make I open business? I know be mumu. I know they see. I don't always tell people say, no, they come on top platform, cause just talk wah. At the end of the day, nobody go listen, no waiting they go on. Madam, if you want to start from beginning, start from beginning. No cap. Where I for do my wrong, I dey reach that side, bro. You feel me? I be man, I know they wrong. Beside the matter, February, when I can't go that bed, and I tell know this girl, we can't deal, we can't talk. When this woman can't go come on my destiny, money when me they give this woman. Could you imagine say this woman they send her give mama destiny when it can't start to the waka? Now mama destiny, mama Gostan, I tell me this matter last year for France. Last year June, I be July, and she call me. Because that period, I go tell her waiting brick quarrel come with me, the woman call me for France. If we reach that side, we go talk on. So when I call the date this girl now, I call later find out say this girl, she get baby father. You understand? Because the girl never told me that she was still in the relationship. She tell me say the relationship they don't break up, they don't get together. You understand? So now she okay. You feel me? Yes, I cheated because she also cheated on me. Mo no exclude anything. She cheated on me from the beginning. I cheated on her. You understand? Nobody is perfect. Let's just be realistic. You feel me? So more forget that side where they call the scene on one side of the look. No more your focus. Me, I know they bear my own. If I do I do them. If you no work again, no work again. Everybody work their separate way. Find another man, go find another woman. That one is sure, bro. They're not a beat person put. You feel me? Now the life, more just live on. Nobody is perfect. You feel me? So well, along the line now, what we call the guy for Vicenza actually called me. According to what he talked to me. So talk when he can't talk to me. I go to him and say, bro, you're not supposed to call me as a man where you be like, this my woman now. Man when he go run for meat for France. I know the guy. The day when we reach France, the guy when she call say, will they call France? Then they call the guy Billy for France. Now, who don't be boy? Now Billy be name. I go screenshot if accounts can't give you best mommy. May you show them later. Now Billy, that guy, now this woman rock go meet. That guy, now this woman find house. Now that guy called the sleep with Melody, Mama Melody for France. Billy. You feel me so? I not call Billy one day say after I leave my woman alone because you know why? Me, I'm a movie train. What's behind me is behind me. That's why I told her I'm always 10 steps ahead of you in life. You can never if you over smart me. Anything where you plan, I don't know. Forget. Now game you feel say with the play. I know they play game. You feel me so? So it's to be now so you want that. I left. So when that guy called me, now I say, come guy, you're not supposed to call me. You're supposed to call, if you say now your woman, you call her. You feel me? Me, I like talk my own straight to. I like niggas where we say that they focus. Me, as I say, my own just off we go do our own things. I just off focus. I come up for France for her. I know they call they say they don't follow woman on these things. Call they call the nigga say alpha. This guy, waiting brick quarrel give me and this guy. This guy call me when I tell him that word finish. I love the line. This guy can't go the carry my matter when he tell no say I be ouchie man. He can't go the carry my matter. They spread for my ouchie brothers for Vicenza. That thing when you hear say tell you say I can't meet her for Vicenza. Now my name when he come they spread. Now I can't meet her for Vicenza. When I tell him say bro, why you they do all those things? I hear say come out for this platform. They talk say when I come meet men. Say men bam now lie. Vicenza for J bros. Nobody want to know Ororo. See people we come meet her for that bar. where we did that day. Now Vincenza they did the best, all of us what we did. Ororo, you fit talk? No, you no fit talk because I not come meet you because of your woman. I come meet you because of my name.
People, why not they mute people? Mona let people comment.
King Abel wait. So why I come meet Ororo? Now because of my name, where Ororo they spread for Vincenza. I tell him, I say, nigga, if you don't have, you see, you are not supposed to have any problem with me, bro. You are supposed to have problem with if you have your baby mama, you call her or whatsoever, you feel me? Not with me, but stop spreading my name in Vincenza. You understand? So people just see when I tell you, so my ouchie brothers waiting Vincenza the best where they deal with me together that day. I don't carry any Jewish people go, now lie. Bros, I don't carry anybody from Milano go. Only me from Milano come Vincenza. The rest people were there with me, bros. Now Vincenza there, they stay with Ororo. They tell me say they know Ororo. I call Best now my tribe guy. I tell Best, how far you know this guy? Yes, say yes. He said I want small boy for town. I say, bros, this guy you dey spread my name anyhow. I tell Best the truth. I say, how far I want to one baby from Milano. You feel me so? This guy you dey spread my name. And this baby now tell me say no get guy. You feel me so? The baby deny am, not be saying I'm mouth. You deny am how? To me. You feel me? So that Best they put on a call. As they put on a call, get one bar with the now the guy balling. Yes, he ball only he balling. And the I hear say the talk say I pack me. Plus I no pack anybody. Only me from Milano come. The rest niggas where they with me and my Auchi brothers. All of us we dey one bar when he come meet us. That day we all land. Maybe one all land sit down for ground because why? They can't even tell us nigga, you're not supposed to call this nigga. Now your woman you supposed to call. Okay, just like I repeat time again, my woman will not go meet another guy. I no carry phone, they disturb the guy. I focus on my life, or guy. I know they put my blame for another person's body. No go they put your blame for my body, or guy. Everybody they talk for comment shows or say, okay, well, as the marriage point and me and the woman, I accept. I don't blame anybody. I take accountability.
Brother Bobby, I beg, write me for WhatsApp. Say hi, I beg, Brother Bobby.
So you as a woman, take accountability for yourself also. You as a guy, what be say me? Now your woman, now you say you call her, you supposed to focus on your woman, not be me, nigga. Not be you supposed to focus on that street with it, bro. All men this street, not be say I'll come this in my own good past. No. You feel me so? Now so we do. So that period now, we can't lose house. When we can't lose that house, then we can't park things for garage. Then that period, social can't say they won't offer my woman house with children. Now as I say, midday, they say no. Now as I say, Mama Melody, you won't go? He said no, they go. To God, who made me. She declined social hand for city when I be the tenor the Isola. She declined the access where they won't give her to get house. She said no. Say if she enter there now, she no go fit come outside. You know why she declined that access? Because of that place where they first transfer and go for Sardinia. Now make her decline that access. And later she can't remember say that girl when me and I get something for outside. If she enter that location now, for her to come outside, it go to the hard. Now me can decline the access. Bro, me I already tell on something. One of the look and where say, no be waiting I form. My waiting go on. Now me they talk. Now she declined the access. So I can't say, okay, right now, I call Tony. Even that period, before we reach that period, with a good church, sometimes I'll carry my woman, carry children. Every Sunday, if we go church, come back, I always carry the go restaurant, roadhouse. I carry the go roadhouse, steady, bro, with the flesh. Okay, they know now, many men know that they come my house, bro. I keep goats for my house. Every 2 weeks, I keep goats. Fufu goats. I get all those videos for my Snapchat, bro. A lot of evidence there. That's why they tell me to say, bro, as I won't send you my email, when you log in Snapchat, bros, you go see a lot of things. I tell they use car, they carry this woman. When she talk live for social media. I they drive my car, go Vincenza, bro. Yeah, I'll reach Vincenza. This patient, elder brother, what they call Libya, he go carry my car, they go they drive him for Vincenza. When his sister come down for Italy, February 2022. When we go Vincenza, we reach there. The first thing when I give this girl 300 euro shopping straight ahead. Not so maybe I know they don't too much here to get. No, I was doing it out of love because of family purpose. Understand? All these things when I tell her, and I never hear say, see where the family for the assist me. I was the one keep giving out. You understand? I was giving out. That part when I hear say, the man talk say, I be they follow the girl, they go court. Now lie. I never follow this girl, go court. Go testify against this guy. Because court no go allow me enter his side. Not be me be the father of the Pikin. The only inside where they go allow me enter, I go enter inside, I go stay for corridor, for sala where people they sit down. I go sit down there. Can't talk about inside the court. I can never go inside without the see, because I'm not the father of the child. I was only going there. Maybe she'll call me, say, okay, she just want to make a leg and go. Because that very period, the people can't enter the Pikin. That was why I stood with this girl. I stand with this girl because why? They enter the Pikin. I not be one me they collect the Pikin for the girl and now make me stand with the girl. I'm not dead there to collect the Pikin, not be my Pikin. She's not my child. I stand there. The girl appreciated everything I did for her. You understand? You feel me? So the girl appreciated everything I did for her. I never went there to speak against the man. I went there to speak, to stand for the girl. Okay, they can't ask the girl, say, who be your guy? She can't present, she truly present me saying me. Because you know why she present me? This same guy, they were calling him to come to Milan, to come and present himself and do DNA to the child to know whether I be papa. The guy refuses. He refused to go. They call him, make he come sign for the Pikin. The guy refused to come sign for the Pikin. To God who made me, bro. My papa were their grave. Now the court put for this matter. I don't do that guy bad. And to save your Pikin, I may do. All those things what they call the years talk say, they call the letter yes, they say no be the Pikin, the guy get the Pikin. Because why? The guy refuses to come and do DNA. Me, I stand for my Pikin. I stand for my own children. When I come out for Jete that time, when I come, me say, this woman put a papa name for my Pikin document. I carry the document. I tell her, say, woman, you don't get right to put your papa name for my Pikin document. When I know what I do, I carry my Pikin document. I carry, after we do marriage finish, we can't do, before we come out for that house, we do traditional marriage. We do court marriage. I can't go use woman do church marriage. I forget this one. Before we come out for that house, for tenor, we do church marriage, bro. All of them, I throw reception for all of them. My niggas for Begamo, all of them, no one will no. Melody birthday, I do on 2022. All of the day my Snapchat, both the videos, now my money, I want dime no day. You feel me? So after that church marriage, I do that church marriage. Bros, all the clothes where my best men use, where our best ladies use, where our bestie use, all of them, I mean, buy all the clothes. I want naira no day, I dime no day. All the, madam, mama best mommy, that video when I sent for you, so, for that marriage, for that all the men where you say they did that place, all of them are my money, I be those clothes, they buy from me too, because I use my money buy there. That video when I say for you, both the women, all now my money, I want naira no day side. If I want naira day side, when I tell her, she come outside, I can't talk where she work. That business when I open for her, this woman could not. As I say, she's when I open that business for her for Milano, for Bergamo, she not get anybody where she carry that business, that okuku, all those okuku matter, traditional things matter. She not get anybody where she do. Say she work, they pay her. That human hair, you not get anybody where she say anything for. Because I could look and say I open business for woman. You know they draw, get agility to hustle. They make money for the business. My people where they Bergamo, they know which are they talk. Okay, I will use this money pay for person where carry you come Europe now. Now 5 million you just talk. You understand? No, not be your papa won't buy it. I mean they tell you so. Where all those ones now waiting she no talk. But auntie, that 2022 when things come good for me.
Leave them, man. May you leave the talk. No one.
Continue. Don't forget the back comment session. Continue.
I want to tell now where he brother for enter my body. Now Judimu construction. I send you the evidence. Bro, that period, I can't say okay, I want open account for Nigeria 2021. My family, bro, I don't feel like you. I not trust my family, bro. Because the way they were too eager to open account for me, I believe say there was something involved. You feel me? But as a woman, when I trust, you were supposed to come closer to me, not to extort from me or to steal from me or to use me. Then I say, may you call your brother. You can't tell me, say, now she tell me, introduce me to our brother side, though. He said, our brother, a construction guy for Nigeria, engineer. That's okay. He go for your account for me. Say, yes. That this man open. First of all, I can't pay the same money put for a construction company account. Now, I get all the evidence on my phone, bros. At the same money. Bros, I the same money, those want me to tell you, so bros, one evidence I not see. All the money when I don't send it. That old step where she they talk say I buy. Now when we take go abroad, assistant ask for Vicenza. 10,000 euro where they be in my hand. I be more than close to 15 to 20,000.
Bros, I beg, hold on first, not first. Hold on.
All right.
I want to ask question. Arrow boy, you did here when the woman can't talk? Huh?
Bros, I did it, bros. I did it.
Bros,
Wait. Okay, you know the.
I did it when the woman can't talk. There's so many things.
Okay, wait.
What
Now,
do you
I'm
say?
not you explain. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, I did, bro.
How many minutes the woman spent to talk?
Bro, the woman spent a long time. We're not lying you. We spent almost 1 hour.
They want to create for comment section and say to the talk now.
Leave comment.
The woman spent like 3. The woman spent 3 hours to talk.
Hey, why do you spend some time when they create for comment section say?
How many hours? 2 to 3 hours.
Who finished?
Mona not bother for the hours. Make the guy explain.
Continue.
I say na me una dey wait for make I talk, make the matter come up for ground. I don't come. So I bet may you feel month. Where the noise for the come now? So that period now, when this girl matter come, she can't go collect Mama Destiny number. Money when I give this woman, she can't send and give Mama Destiny on my behalf. I don't know, say she don't go tell Mama Destiny say, this man don't see another woman for her, say won't collect a man. That woman can't begin. I don't know. Definitely, una will be women. I know which are the tone. I understand. They can't begin to do things against me for house. The Titan things make I feel come up for this girl body. Whether the things where they call the Titan, I call they disturb me that time. Me no know. Later, the woman, the Mama Destiny can't come. She can't tell me say I can't see the number for her phone. I say, Madam, you don't still go back to this Mama Destiny. You say I ain't get waiting. The woman won't tell me whether I go feel listening. Now she okay. The woman now, she can't tell me, say, he say she go check where for the check. Say, they send her from my family side. Say, now they do me, now make me choke leg for outside. To God who made me, my papa were the grave, make him bear me weakness. I not go lie against you. My ancestors now call. Now what did that woman talk? I be that. Say now my family. Say they do make me choke leg for outside against patient. To God. And say, okay, now wait till you talk, Abi. Me, I not believe because me, I know they believe all those things.
I bet no vessel. We should be chook leg for our side. Man, they chook leg for our side.
No, bros, no, you're supposed to understand when I talk now, bros. That's meeting that lady.
That be that cheating part now.
That cheating we take care of that woman. Now they try to talk.
No, sir, no wanna leave. No, sir, that one woman apart. Wanna leave and continue.
My man,
now so Mama Destiny take enter, bros. So all those things, me, I know they do more. We can't they do. Me, no say. The money when me they give this woman, so me believe I can't understand. Say today, Mama Melody go tell me say that girl use charm owe me. Tomorrow, Mama Melody go tell me say that girl they used to throw water they cook for me. Now say all those things where you they talk, where you for the seed then they talk. Who they tell you? You say na Mama Destiny. Say that girl they use charm owe me. I mean I know they spend money for this girl. I don't get money when I they give this girl. You understand? Okay, although say normally we did together, I they assist her. You feel me? So I the press and small thing. What's how the press the girl for us, madam? You know, reach which actually feed my family for us. My own living for us different from that girl living for our side. You feel me? So normally, when you meet person for our side, not me say you they use the person. You see press and small thing. Me, I know the life on my own. You understand? Then inside the matter now. Now so they call they do their own. Today go tell me say Julia, the girl they used to throw water they cook for me. And I say this girl me know they eat the food. I know they eat this girl food. This girl know they cook for me. I know they eat this girl food. How? You say, the girl use charm. Oh, me not say, Madam, you don't enter all this your native daughter will. Now, there they can't carry con. After we can't lose us, we can't go Vicenza. Now, before we go Vicenza, now I call our sister. Now, I want to talk to Tony. Because I always the drive go there. I'll leave my car for them. They go drive. They use my car badge one day. I still look and say, based on yellow stuff, I lock up. You feel me? Now I call Tony say, how far, bro? Based on Ilo, how I be now. See what it is play. Tony can say, make I call. I make call Tony by myself. Patient no get what they do. Now, woman, not be say, I thought in a bad woman. A woman, when no they fit talk. They don't get that strength to talk. You understand? Now she be. Now me call Tony, say, Tony, see. He can't say me and give patient phone. He can't talk to patient. That patient say yes now. He can't say make I carry the call. I get friends for Beggar day when I supposed to go their house. But I choose to say, okay, make I go my in-law side. When I reach that house, bros, my ouchie brothers where they that house. You know what they tell me? They say, bro, you're not supposed to do this house. I won't tell you what to bring problem for that house. My ouchie brothers, they tell me, they say, bro, you're not supposed to do this house. You're not supposed to do your in-laws. Now tell this woman, say, okay, this thing, after they say, this thing, so this woman no one make I go. She want make I did this Vicenza with her. Me, I bring the console, I'll go back to Milan, go systemize things. Madam, I mean the systemize things. Don't be the systemize things when I know you. I'll be systemizing things, I go bring you come enter house. You never get any day where you systemize things, carry me go enter house. It never happen. Now me the systemize, carry you come enter. How many times I don't do one for you before I reach Vicenza town? You understand? So that period now, if I can't come up for us, I go beg her more. I go find house. This woman can't dey insecure. Though I reason as in a normal thing. Based on how the matter they be. So that very period now, this girl's sister where did that house? No open mouth fit talk to this girl. Say, Alpha, leave this man. Bro, you know open mouth fit to talk to her. They just dey look us. Now only Tony, maybe they talk. He can't dey lie, they give them, say me they go meet the girl from Milano. Now they say, I they go find house. So that we go know. He said, make I go find house for Vicenza. Now you go tell me where I go find house. Because why? Our family take Vicenza. Say, make I find we not tell you so we can't stay for Vicenza. Now make I can't drop you there. Make I go back, go find house. You understand? So, now so the matter take play. That very period. Bros, una feel imagine say, that thing will carry me go one side when I say I know they do again. That thing. This woman, well, because we did the sister house, he no one make her the work out and down because I do my things online. Money owo did now there for the get my owo. You feel me so? And I get use and they get free movement, freedom of movement. The woman now walk on go collide with his sister and all of them for inside house. Say because of say make I not feel they get movement. This thing will carry me go one side when I vow to God, say I no go ever touch, which is the white where he brother he Tony they say and his sister they say market for the house. He say, why me no go enter the business, go the sell and God? I said this woman, you be evil. And that day I know say this woman are evil. Something when I come out for Jete, this woman say, my Papa Melody, no ever touch this thing again. Me and her both agree. I no touch am. I know they do one. Now from that house, they collide me enter man because of say man no dey feel the command side. Bros, before I know, me when no join meeting before, I can go carry my money go put for meeting because the money were in my hand. All the money when I don't feel the same for he bought an account for Begamo. All those money, bros, they don't give me account. 1 naira I no see, 0 kobo I no see. The whole stay what we they take about that whole stay now for Vicenza. Now be that money where she thought say she said go put for that account. Mama twist ask and say which account you said that money put. She not talk. He say me they ask me. Now I bought that account Judimu Construction Limited. I get all the evidence with me. But that money we not send out from my app. We send out from African shop. That money was almost 15,000 euro. So based on that period now, she can't find way where we say she won't take close me for one place. Man, no, they fit get access to the move because me I be man will be say I dey like movement. I dey like move. You know if you crap me for one place. This woman know me. That's why she dey find way where she take they crap me for one place because if you crap me, she know say that crap me where she crap me for one place. So this not go dey good for me. I need freedom. My name now Godfrey. You know if you crap me for one place. Now that name now they follow me all the days of my life. You feel me? I need freedom. So what it call happen? Meeting, I know they do meeting before. She can't go carry me put for meeting where they do for the house. He brother and some other people. For 400 every month. Bros, that's it. So when I tell you I don't want to touch again. I don't know how my eye take. Bros, that very period, me I not deal with my senses again. Whether they don't use many times to touch my head, we are my destiny, bro. Because me they give the woman money. Now that Vicenza, we can't carry one room. We can't do the one room. You feel me so? Bros, I was depressed. Because of so many stress. Bros, now that period, now Mama Destiny can't go, it can't come. Mama Melody, I don't know what you Mama.
Mama Destiny, anybody where you call Mama Destiny, wanna run for them. Another Mama Destiny.
Wait, now this woman, I go carry come to say, because this woman, they always they go, matter the places where they go north. They go, he get some kind of native doctor for different places. They will carry north, different places. Oh, now wait to. Mama Melody know now. All those things when they tell now not be lie. Now me and a day we day. People go they say for they talk about the lie. I know why they dress for the woman. I know why me they run. I mean they run. Thank you. Everything I bless you. God bless you. And I appreciate. It was nice knowing you in life. You feel me? But now I need my freedom. You feel me? Man, I won't focus on my life. You feel me? So that period where we go carry one room, we come to the house, bro. That market when I say I don't want to say again, they force me put for inside that market. I don't know how to enter that market. God believe me. God bear me witness, bros. I know they do all those things again. I don't know how to enter that market when I call they sell that market. You know how they come to they use me, bros. I said they come to use me for that house for Vicenza now. Me when we say I they wear better clothes, bros. That better clothes when I call they wear, bros. Now rag I call they wear. Me when we say if I gash like this I ball out, bro. Niggas know me. If niggas come say me go come out. Me no know what they do me, bro. This was falling apart for me. Like I wasn't getting money anymore. This thing when I know they do before, I can't go put my hand for something when I know they do. I can't say this was wrong with me. Like this was funny. Like money no go dey enter my hand. Bros, I was supposed to go to depression. Bros, I no go feel like you. I smoked that thing where she dey talk. I know they lie. I fell into depression. I smoke it. I don't feel like.
Why not come mute her now? Zaddy, why you mute her?
Mona no mute me.
Yeah, may not talk that thing again so that I don't go drop the life.
I was still listening, bro.
Yeah, may pass that place, bro. Pass
no,
that
bro,
place.
I don't go pass them, bro. I don't go pass them. No, need them. I go tell now. I was depressed. You feel
Sorry,
me? I was depressed.
Godmother come up. This godmother of Kenya, bring her come up. They say they be
This guy, wanna let him talk, bro.
Let her talk now.
I fell into depression. She wasn't lying, bro. She was a woman that was supposed to be by my side and asked me, bro, what's going on in your life? What's happening to you? I fell into depression. I never knew that this was the woman that was even against my life. She was making things difficult for me. All in the name of that girl for outside. She did all those evil against me because of that girl outside. I felt, bro, me when they get money, when we say, bro, everything was so hard for me. Everything was difficult for me. Just because you won't tie me for one side, you can't use charm on me. Now, dear mama, destiny can't bring the matter, can't say, mama, now wish. He said, "Na mama they do me." Well, guys, now then, she and the woman know what they do me with my money when I give them. I was so depressed, bro. I was depressed to the extent say I was looking for someone to explain to. There was no one by my side. Even the same woman, bro. We were having issues. Me myself, I wasn't like that before. Yeah, we were fighting. I can't dispute the fact. You understand? We were fighting. We had a lot of issues. But
please, I want to say something because I'm at work. I will leave very soon.
Mama, I beg, bring this guy down. Mama, this one will be our connection. If I don't talk finish, I come out.
It don't be your connection. Now go. Let me stop you.
Zaddy.
Don't come bring anybody where you want bring come. You understand?
Yes, bros, don't worry. Talk. Wait, give me my WhatsApp. No, this thing.
No, that very period. Because this guy owe matter, you know, owe me, you understand? I know what you want to, that one I business, you understand? So I don't already talk part when I want to talk concerning what happened between me and her. I was depressed. So now dear Mama Melody call ask me for that one room where we did. He call ask me, say, I know the lie, anything where happened to me, but thank God, my life, I stopped that thing. Now God still help me. Because I can't later meet one pastor, the pastor can tell me, say, he said, now God, now let that thing happen to me because I make vow with God, say, I no go ever touch that thing again. He said, I broke the covenant I had with God. That was why. I can't later realize, say, the man of God tell me, say, my Pikin mama, he said there be the plan to use that thing where they can't put me for Vicenza, to put me for problem, make I go back to prison because of that girl. Because of that girl. That's why they did everything. I wasn't getting any funds anymore. Before you can't know, they can't come as I say, my mama na wish. Bros, I can't start to cast my mama wish. My mama will born me, bros. My mama for 2 years. I not talk to my mama for 2 years. Mama will born me because of Mama Melody and Mama Destiny for 2 years. What did they do me? I not begin to talk to my, I got to cash my mama wish. Ask many people for Vicenza. Ask many of my friends for Milano. I got to cash. They can't tell me say my mama and they do me. Whereas now them they do me. I not talk to my mama for 2 years. Now so we do. Then we can't lose that one room because of stress, many struggle, many quarrel. She can't go back to her sister's house. I thought the chance say all of them, they don't put me inside that circle finish, eh? They can't find way to push me through away. I no can't dey important to them again. Those one are people will be say that they call me, even the other brother for Nigeria, if they call me. Now this woman, all these years when I know this woman, a big man wife, she dey bear for Milano, big man wife. Now she dey bear for Facebook, for TikTok, for everything. Big man wife, now she dey bear. To God be the glory. I tell you. But when they do this evil against me, they can't try push me through away. Now be the God when at the time today say they thought I was gonna die. They thought all the evil plans they planned against me was going to affect me deeply. All those things I'm saying out from my mouth today, they never see, they don't even know, say, God give me this wisdom. God still keep me alive. They thought I was going to end up in street and stop and keep eating that stuff. That was why they did that thing against me. Plus, I get men of God where they close to me, where they tell me those things. Well, before when we did France, he got one of my man of God where tell me this matter. He said, if not lie, they told me I carry phone go give my woman for us. I just carry phone go give this woman. He talked to this woman. As this woman yesterday, the man measure all those things. He end the call. She get up. He drop the call. Now they I take no from France. Say, something. This woman, he won't kill me. You understand? Because of girl for herself. Listen, and she no can no say, Mama Destiny don't talk and say, now family now enter my body. That was 2022. The same woman when she break on, now if I talk this thing. So they can't walk online now. May they use me achieve their goals, push me into madness for her side, use me do ritual. Listen, that depression, it was real, but that stuff, it was not real. There was something attached to it. And now I won't enter that side. So, you get one woman what they call my mama Pastor Favor for Urumi. Now, through their senior brother, Jude Ebosele, Judimo Construction Limited, now that Favor, Pastor Favor, they enter our life. 2023 for Vicenza. That woman, she come first tell me, say, make I beware of Mama Destiny. And they tell her, now, through them, Pastor Favor, he dey Urumi. He said, make I beware of Mama Destiny. Say that woman had destruction. He said, make I not talk to the woman. Mama block the woman. That year, I called Judimi Construction. I tell Judimi, says, Alpha, see what they go on. Pastor Favor. As Pastor Favor come start to talk to Mama Melody, Mona ask her where say, before, when the brother bring the Pastor Favor come, all of us, they talk to Pastor Favor. But, for Vicenza there, when Mama Destiny come back again, without my mama matter, she can't run for Pastor Favor. When Pastor Favor called, they try pursue for Mama Destiny, but they no be only me try pursue. Pastor Favor now from Uromi. Now a brother Judimi Construction, I bring Pastor Favor give me. Now give me Pastor Favor number. He say no patient. Now their hand patient for grow. When patient when he call the talk to patient, patient can't know say this woman understand what she dey talk. Patient can't block Pastor Favor. You know, call the talk to Pastor Favor again. That period, now I can't call my own mama winch. Mona listen, I know they lie. Oh, I can never lie. Now in a public day here, this woman, she said she not my opinion. I will give my opinion out. We go know who they lie. We go know who they talk truth. Okay. All of a sudden, many niggas call they tell me, say, I hear say many people call they talk, say, even the family call the talk, say, Monique no call my side again. Yes, not true, because I later realized they did something against me. They carry my money, go put for somewhere. You know, they make Owo, they call my hand again. Because why they do them? They say because if they do them, me no go fit the girl who constantly fit the ball out. I'll come fit tranquilo from one side. So you come be like saying, only the girl will call the strive. We call the bring money come house. What a wicked world that we are living. I know why they run, but many people don't understand why they run. Now my own side, now me they explain for the story. As I talk on like this, so people go to say maybe I the free man. No, now they say us all those who are when they tell you. So me I say they talk to Mama Destiny. And now they understand what I tell. I say I think say that they help me. People where they help me. You get one of my friends that they call Dube. Dube call me one. They say, bros, try and make you check yourself where you know deal with yourself. What did they sup? You say, bros, not be like this, I know you. You sure say people will say that they help you, not be there to kill you. I don't believe that guy. Do be a person will be saying, now my son, they call my house. He said, bros, check them where. People will say that they help you. You just say not because people they kill you.
Why did you send me request?
You understand? So now so that one take apple for Vincenza. After later, they can't go back to her sister's house. I can say, people will be saying that they come my house. These same people, so 2022, our brother when I tell her, say he stay Ferrara. When he get problem for Ferrara, that boy, now my house, he run come for Bergamo. Now me have bought that boy for Bergamo. I bought for us. I did see, he not give me money for the more than a month when he stay in my house, if I'm not mistaken. Now me they feed down. Now they are third born for the family that they told you, so lucky. Now my house is stay. Where that guy stay in my house. Now me still carry that guy go Bergamo airport. When he take flight from Bergamo, can't lose airport when he day today. Since 2022, month accountant. But when matter happened last year, when I call our family, you know that guy go tell Papa. They say, now they are saying a person for their ass to tell me, they say now he hold the meeting. Tell your father, say, he did there. Anything where their sister explain, say not true. Say he did there. Person where don't come out for Italy 2022. This world is so evil. If you not one no person will tell me all this word, now una elder brother, Judimu their overall elder brother wife. Now tell me everything, all the evil plan where they plan against me. Their elder brother wife. See that the elder brother, You see their papa they stand there. The woman send me pictures when the man they beat him with blood. They take my phone. Best mommy, I go stand there for you. This they say he said papa go stand. The man go they beat Sam. The brother go they beat Sam. See, he blow his face and blood full ground. The papa go they laugh. He send me the videos. He dealt with me for phone. I will send a given. I'm gonna put them. I'm gonna see them later. To God who made me. I'm gonna go see them later. The woman can't tell me say her first child. Say na the papa na kill him. Say the papa no like him. Say the man come meet him who are tell him say na kill him. Which means now the papa they disturb the children, all of them. Man leave that side. So when they can't go back to the house, to their sister house. I can see all those one are people who they gather the chop. When I see evil where they do me, those are people who they move, they gather the chop. When they come my house, money they enter. I can't see all of a sudden the money not come they enter my hand. They will take on the store. You understand? They come they push me out. They come when they carry the woman, they carry the children, they push me out. That time when I got the depression, so I thought they could at least assist me. Try to know what was going on in my life. I don't know, see people when I say I find help for their hand and then they kill me. Bros, to God who made me, see, so when I walk out, leave this woman, 19 start to be good for me. If I lie, when I deal with this woman, bros, 1 naira, no, they enter my hand. But it's when I leave this woman for France, bros, see, it just be like, say, my eye open, things can start to work for me. I can't, bro, this thing one of the see for TikTok, not be so I be before. Bros, mommy twins, I go sell you my picture when I did France. Now when I did 2023, my picture, I be like mad person. Like, it was affecting me then. Like, bro, the depression was real. I can't explain. I know they talk with you, I don't know. With you, I not do. You understand? I know they talk with you, no happen. Now I take happen, now they tell now. I leave this woman before things can start to work for me. You understand? If you not enter my social media, all those things when I see for there, with pictures when I go send, if I give mommy twins that Snapchat, my videos so she go see for there and my pictures for France. Yeah, it go when I say they different from when I take on Germany. Yeah, you understand? So they can't they push me come out for it can't be they want to push me out. I'm not included anymore after they don't achieve their plans. Because if not be their plans, I see no reason why. You as a sister, when you say you senior this girl, you know this man as an husband to this your sister. I marry him traditionally. I marry him for court. I marry him for church. I did everything completely without anything remaining. I paid for everything that my girl. That wedding when they tell you so. That wedding when they tell you so. A lot of people came to that wedding in Bergamo. A lot of friends from different locations they came. All because of my influence. The only people that came because of all the respect of our influence, Now our family members. Apart from our family members, not any other person. And one of our friends, what they call Lovette.
Yeah,
The rest,
but Echo, sorry, no verse. May you try still cut that part. They can't tell us where little when you take carry Pikin. Yes.
yeah.
The
Now that
Pikin
place I
side.
did, so yeah, now that place I did, so now that place I did, so no worry, I did with you, bro. So that Pikin, what's involved for that Pikin, bros? It can't be like say they can't push me through away. They can't carry the girl enter house with the children. See, bro, I was in violence. I was facing life. You understand? I was facing something that I never expected. You understand? So, all waiting they won't come social media can't talk. The man was violence, was this, was that. No. I have a woman, I have a wife, the woman I call a wife. I never knew she was the one planning all those evil things against me just because of that girl outside. To just lock me, man, just enter street, bro. I don't feel like you. This woman do this to man, you enter street, go the crazy they go now. To God who made me. Now to God be the glory now until they are alive today. I did tell you the truth. It's not because of anything. Me, I know the lie. I did tell you the truth. That children waiting if exposed for that matter. I can't come up for their sister ask because me and her sister can't get issues. Her sister fights me for Vicenza. She injured me for my eye. For patient presence. To God be the glory. I no touch that girl. I no fight her. I no knock her back. Blood they come up for close to my eye. I no touch her. She injured me for my eye. Esther. Patient no. After that one again, Tony fights me. Those are people where they chop with me. Oh. They don't chop me finish. They can't beat me. I not fight Tony back. To God who made me. I not touch Tony. I can't come out. I can't go Milano. Can't go to stay with my friend from Milano. So when I called it that side, the day where Jasmine, my second baby, because during that period, who they do marriage, now she can't get my second baby Bele for Bergamo. I forget that part. So during that period, so I was supportive. I get all the videos now when I did the carry and go hospital, everything. The day my Snapchat, I will give her to best mommy later, make she enter. When she born, bro, as that's where man they wear, did they enter? Video where she born. Now my present she for born. They say make I go outside. I say no, I did inside her where she for born. Now my present, the Pikin for come outside and make carry on. All the videos they did. Woman will come outside, say the man they carry me go hospital. I born for a back, I do this, now lies. I get the videos. I know they talk with you and not do. And I know go come here, come they wine people. No be small children they here, now matured men they here. Yeah. So when I can't go Milan, that my second baby now, his birthday can't reach. Now me they celebrate my children's birthday. But you see, say they push me out. They won't come do my Pikin birthday, they don't call me. At that period when me did Milan, so bros, I was facing depression. Things wasn't like see, things was happening to me, bro. I don't feel explain. I don't feel call my family, bro. Family where they against me because of woman. Woman, when I got to say I betray my family, marry. We're supposed to be by my side. I don't know, say, they say if us no enter you, outside I no go fit enter. Us enter me. As the say us enter me. Now, Mama Destiny can't finish am for my body. To God. But I remember when I tell you now, say, Mama Destiny later can talk and say, now my family now enter me. Now make me know that girl for her side. It can't be like say I can't dey open. Now make her with Mama Destiny come enter me. They can't say me they destroy me finish. But God no gree. That's why I dey run. I dey talk am. Everything what this woman do to me, it go back to her. And at the period we dey, more we dey wash. Now me dey run. People don't know why I dey run. But this is now because of say, nah Pikin, not be Pikin make me dey run. If she want to talk to her Pikin, make she call me. Me, I wasn't expecting social media stuff, you understand? Because I thought she was going to call me. Maybe if she want to talk to the Pikin, I'll give you access to talk to the child.
Son of God, where you for do one bad? I want me to just talk that area because
I don't they talk and sis now, bro. Now be the woman issues now, bro. You supposed to understand now. The woman issues when they talk, sis now. Those one be the bad now. Another bad no day, bro.
So now it can't be saying that woman issue cut to the punish you.
Yeah, you for
yes, now Muna wait. The woman side, not
Muna let her talk. Muna give her the old
maybe another problem no day. Now this game matter. Now just be the problem where day for Italy.
See banana say why you carry Pikin? Wait happen where you carry.
Continue from where you for stop, my brother. Continue from there.
I say why I carry the Pikin. You understand? So that period, they won't come do just me birthday. They no go come man from Milano come. All of them can't go. So now me tell you say, he get one man where up there, the family give her, make she marry. The man dey Vicenza. Even the day where that time where things be the good, where things still be the good for me, where we David Chenza, you get one barrier where they won't do. They say that they are mama barrier. You understand? I contributed on that barrier. The video, it did my Snapchat. I go send and give them. I will give now everything day. I contributed. I was in supportive. I support. You feel me? So when they come make me go carry my children, they won't go do my Pikin birthday. They no call me. I don't know, say those people, they don't plan to give this woman out to another person. It can't be like say their plans don't succeed. What they do me, what they do me. If I can't call this woman, where you did? This woman no theirs. That time, this woman get belle. Whether she can't carry belle, they go outside. Me, I don't know. Because I know if he say she go, they use belle, they cheat. You understand? You understand? So, I can't look and say, am I picking off if they do birthday? All those things, can they happen to me? Now I come up from Milano. Now I come back to Vicenza. As I come, now I say I need my children. Because you know why I say I need my children? That house where my children did, they set white for that house, they set Igbo for that house. Inside that small, now mini apartment, they sell white inside the compound. Bros, nobody wanna know Tony. Tony, now you see, if I tell you now, I know the streets. It's still in my head rich today. Via Alfredo Nenemi Naibi number 9. Tony for Vicenza, nobody will know what they do. Inside there, bros, they sell white. Where my children there. Now me they tell on so. Waiting give me the agility come there. Because I know say if I stand calm, even if they call make the matter spoil now. Everywhere good. My children will come outside. Because I don't want my children for there. Woman, you were supposed to make on it because later, many of my friends could tell me, say, bros, you sure say you doesn't you still day okay? Like, you don't say these people they say that they help you, not be there, they do you. Call your mama. Me, I no fit call my mama. I was mixed up, bro. You sure say not be there, they do you. I can't come back because I need my children. Now I just force carry my children. You know, say that period when things not call it good for me. Now when I come here, say the woman call the talk, say Tony can't buy things for my children. When I ask them whether not Tony they buy things for my children before, after they don't use their things for me, they don't bring me down. They'll come they find things to gather themselves to make sure say me and maybe bad person, they'll throw away me. They will call me back. See, nobody has ever taken care of my family. I have been the one doing everything with God. It was by the grace of God. You understand? So when I come back, that was when I carry my children for their hand. She called they drag my children. And I say, they drag my children. What many of them don't know that they forget say, this same woman who they talk about, I married her for common. Anywhere we go for Europe, now maybe the papa of the children, now maybe the papa of the woman self. I marry a traditional regularly for Europe. What do you they drag my children for with me? This melody, when I beg, I want to talk this one before I talk. I take the children come also complete. This melody, that time when I come out for Jete, a papa named D. I carry that document. I go Roma after the marriage with our marriage certificate. I go Roma. I show them say with a photocopy of our document. I go Roma. I can't go our embassy. I can't tell them say I need what they call them if you want change Pikin name. I can't go collect them for Roma. Because common call tell me say they need them before they officially change the name. When I see many stress, everything when I do as a father, even though I be get lapses, but I was still doing the right things. You feel me? So at the time, I can't go home, I can't go collect the thing, I can't go back to our commune. I can't give them, they can't change melody document's name, they can't commode a boss a pour a bass because now bass are the beer. Now melody the beer reach today. When I take fit change melody name. They can't change them for system. I know be papa where they focus so now they tell even if I dey fuck up, I still know say I get family. I dey do the right things. I change my Pikin name. You know tell on all those parts, you know tell now. I change my Pikin name. I put my name. Now I make melody where they here today, they bear my name. I do melody birthday 2022. I know how much I spend. I get the videos for my Snapchat. When I ask and say all the children where she don't born, which one of the Pikin she don't throw birthday for? There is none what she don't do birthday for. Now only me they do birthday for my children. This melody where they here, she never do birthday for this melody. Now only me they do birthday for her. Now me call her my daughter. And she's my daughter and she will remain my daughter forever. The next birthday where they come and they do one for her. I've been doing them and I will continue to be doing them. No one has been the one. Nobody has been the one taking care of my children. All those ones where they talk say for Vincenza, brother, they buy a clothes. Yes, now when they don't use their evil plans, they bring me down. They work out down just because of say, maybe they can't put the blame for my body. You understand? So that period, after the sister don't fight me, Tony don't fight me, finish. Let me go to carry my children. Now move, go Milan. Bros, that church when he tell us say, now true, bros, now truth, now me talking. Because he can't be like say, bros, I don't know what it can happen to my life. People come they see me, bros, I know they lie. People come they see me, they come they say, Murphy, how far? What did they saw? What did they happen to you? Not be Murphy, be this what we know. I tell you the truth, bro. I know what I faced. The woman was happy. The family of the woman was happy. My mother, they cry, they shed tears. My mother, they pray for me. To the extent, say, when my mother can't realize, my mother can't they pray for me. My mother, they cry. Because you know why? My mother could tell me, say, leave this woman. I say, no, I don't want to leave this woman. Leave this woman. I don't want to leave. Me don't know why I don't want to leave this woman. Me where they run for this woman, I know why they run for this woman. My mother go tell me, say, leave this woman. I don't know why I don't want to leave this woman. I don't feel leave this woman. You come like say, they use something on me. But they say, you don't make me leave this woman, bro. If it was not because of say this woman rock carry children come out for France, I for not feel leave this woman. The woman carry children rock come out. Now me go carry melody come out. As it's when I come out, now me go they get my things, bros. Now my senses going to come back. A lot of things going to happen back to my life, bro. I don't feel life for you. She thought I was going to end up in street. She thought my life could not be like my life not going to come back to this stage when I did. Now be all those many shout when they say they come to show me they come they shout. She know what she's doing. This woman carry my picture go put for native doctor place. When I ask her whether I lie, they talk. I get all the voice notes for my phone that they use for. Now me carry her phone. I send all the voice notes for where she and Mama Destiny they talk. I said they put for my phone. They did this my phone will break. When I tell you I say they go repair. Now me, because of this thing, now me they go repair the phone. I get a lot of voice notes when you and the woman they talk. I get them. You understand? So when I carry the children, I can't go to that church. The church can't help me. They can't give me one guy who can go in house. So that period, when I not say, it tell now say that house where they come, where we can't deal. Me and the guy get problem. True. Me and the guy get problem. I tell now I will take get problem. That period, so they constantly use me. Hey, stop, man. Please, I'm talking, okay? All right.
Echo, no verse. I will advise you to leave the guy and the guy problem. Just tell us how Nakonte go France so that we move from there.
Don't forget any part.
Now where we pass conference, now me won't tell now so. You understand? Where those are beats, everything come for lost. You understand? Now I want to tell now with the human hair and everything. I want to tell now, I'm gonna calm down. All those people they know what they do me. You understand? Let me they clean my hand, come off for their body. May they carry their problem, they go. Are they run now? Now me they run. Now me they beg. May they stay away from me. I use God beg all of them. May they stay away from me. I beg. May they stay away from me. I don't need again. I they beg the Mama Melody with her family. I beg them. May they go. May they stay away from me. Now God, I tell they beg them. I won't focus on my life. I go meet another woman tomorrow. I know say now me be the problem, but I thank them. I thank God. Say I'm alive today. Not because of anything, but by the grace of God. When we can't go to that guy's house. We can't do that guy's house. I can't get one job. You understand? Before I get that job for there, I can't get one job for Vincenza. That job, bros, now bakery. Where they bake bread, bros. Where they go put me for the session, bros, you can't be like say, you know those people they carry bread for fire come outside, bros. They're the hot. Nah. I know if you do the work. I can't come out for the work. When I can still go Brescia, I can't still find another work. Now, the guy, when I tell him, say when I come out for JT, the house when I be they stay, the guy where they call Smith, now where they work, now they go for get work. And that place can't too over, too cold. You understand? I mean, never do those kind of work before. Work when me they
Put them notes in.
work when me they do before. Work when me they do before. Now work all those say I get like I tell now, I they speak Italy very well. Mostly when I come out for JT, now the Italy can enter my mouth well because I go school for JT. Inside that JT, bros, now I forget my Tessa media. Now inside that JT, now for speak Italy well, learn Italy before I come outside. You understand? I can't still get all those things, all those elevator where they carry things they put for magazine. They call them muletto for Italy. I get the driving license. Woman will say I no focus for life. I get the driving license. All these things when me they tell on. That's why I tell on. I say, when I ask this woman, I say, what will be the thing where you feel achieve for yourself from Italy? But before we enter France, nothing. All those things when me they tell on, they deal with me for year. All my file, they deal with me from Italy to France. All of the deal with me here. Mona ask and say, where your Italy file? What do you feel achieve from government and from Italy as documents, school things, day. But I can't get now that work I they do, muletto, all those magazine stuff. Now I mean all those work, now I mean they like to do because I go to school, I get the license. Any company when I put on, they go where. Even when I did at my house for Bergamo, they go work. You understand? So they go work, they come back. So for that pressure, so what we can't do, I can't say they go work for there. I can't do my street. What would they do? Normal street. I don't want to call the name. You understand? Normal picky stuff. So that period, the money, that period, I don't know, say, bros, I don't go feel like you, all the money we could get that time, me don't know what they do me because that mama destiny, me know if I need that for my life one day. Whether I come me, they do me, what they do me, so that I go feel they supportive of what they do. You understand? The money will bring issues give me a that guy. Now that guy help me collect the owo, we get the house. So the bargain where we bargain, it not can go where. And that money, wait it come make me need that money. Now discussion when Mama Destiny discuss with me, which Mama Melody discuss with me, say if you fit get like 1,000 euro, they go fit do something. Plus, I not deal with myself now. Like this thing can bring issues. Give me and that woman, that guy. You understand? I can't need the money, make I give him. But the money go come outside. The money no come outside. Then come bring issues, give me and that guy. Now them still cause am, bro. Because you know why? The woman wanted, she does not want me anymore to arrange myself to be able to be a man and stand in that man position to gather the family together. She wants to be in that position to gather the family so that I go dey on that ram like many men wey dey on that women for France. I go tell on another one thing. So now there me and the guy take get issues. And I just see cause am because they need the money, they take go give a power for not and the one where they beneath. They go share the money 500,000. Whether not true the woman they talk or whether they chop the money, I don't know, bro. And this woman I've never met her before. Not be this guy, not be this guy, woman who now they talk. That's the person who can later help us for her so we can't deny the talk, bro, before we can't go France. You understand? Now we pass conference. So the guy come that night, I can come out. The guy come pack things before I can pack our things before outside. Before we come back, many of our things come miss. You understand? Those beads, when I come back, I don't come beat those beads. But I can later realize, say, those beads, this woman carry those beads, go hide. Those business beads when I open for her. The bead, the carry go put for her sister house with the human hair. He called they tell me, say they lost. Whereas they no lost. Now last year for France, I can't know say they no lost. He go put there for his sister house. He tell me say they lost. Whereas they no lost. He call later they tell me say, because me never see where you forget money where you take buy bead last year. Because I believe say you know they work. Only the money where they pay us. Now Mama Destiny they send her for. Where you come for see money where you take open buy those beads again. What you say, when you call it that, when I call it that no say, he said na his sister and I buy him. You know what she can't tell me? He said na his sister buy the beads for him. I say God forbid. Your sister buy beads for you. You know how much be all those beads. I know how much I spend for that bead. If your sister feel knock on for chest, for me that money comes, I spend them for you. I go no say not true. Now there I continue say the bead no lost, the human hair they no lost. That place, when we can come out for that house, we can't go lost from Milano. Milano where we lodge. Now my money and still lodge you. She no get money for hand. 1 era she no get. All those Mama Destiny where we they send money. Now my money we still they send go give her more. My money now we still they send. Me no say now my money where they say so. Now they think they do things against me. Now my money are they send, bro. Even for Vicenza, she wasn't working. Now my money are still they send. My mama called they talk to me. I don't know why my mama they talk to me. My mama called they talk to me. I know they listen to my mama again. I called they tell my mama say, for me to say she no go feed nothing go make me leave mama Melody. For me to waka leave Mama Melody, I go waka leave you. To God who made me, bro. For what did those women do me? For 2 years. Now last year, bro, me and mama come start to the talk for France. From that house, we can't go lodge you stay. From that hotel, we can't waka. We can't say, okay, like this now, what can happen? She can't say, honey, why we no go France? Now say, more go Germany. But I hear when they talk about this Germany matter today. Man tell how this France and Germany take come. He say, more go France. Not say, honey, more go Germany. He say, no, more go France. Because say, more come Mama Destiny. Mama Destiny, check, be go good for us. When I listen, me, I know the hard joy. God bear me weakness.
Mama Destiny do na life track. Mama Destiny.
Yes, now, bro. May you listen, bro.
Come, bro, me fair wait. They'll pay that.
Bros, wait now, bro. This woman there all along, bro. Many pastors where come where this Mama Melody block. I said to the pastor, say me come tell Mama Melody, say, see, come these things where come make our life be like this. More we still check another place. They don't they check one place. Mama Melody say la. Me no know say she get reason why she say la. Bros, for France, I persuaded this woman to the extent say, Alpha, you know they check one place. More we check. I don't know see this woman get reason why she dey tell me say la. Bro, I was forced to check another place where they can't tell me say your mother is innocent. Stay away from that woman. She's your downfall. To God who made me. If I lie, may my ancestors bear me weakness. If I lie, I for this bro. Wanna listen, I beg, bros, put. I beg.
They listing with the listing. Mama Destiny girls band, he girls band.
You know, get husband, you know, he get husband. He get husband. He and your husband not there together. Now another man that she there with for Canada. Now, wanna listen, now single mother. Wanna listen.
Continue.
Wanna listen. No worry, Mama Destiny picture, I get her, no worry. General Saga, I get her, bros, no worry. I get Mama Destiny number, no worry. Picture. I get a number, I get picture, I get her account number. No worry, everything there with me. Wanna relax. Get where many things they pass.
But hope say not be the Mama Destiny come to say you dey beat your wife morning, afternoon, and evening. May not be saying that she be that woman today.
Bros, all of
when say stay with you now.
No. Wait, bros, Zaddy, the girl will come here, they call her Faith. Una not say yesterday when I do my saga yesterday. I thought say that girl, now Libya with a date. That girl truly come my house. I go send you mommy twist. That the video where that girl take come my house. Now lie, I no beat that. I no beat now lie. That girl, I never touched my woman for Faith present one day. Una know why that girl come and tell her all of them collide together. They call that girl, make that girl come Faith. Faith no be like that. Faith na very gentle girl. Una know yes, you know come here, he come here come talk no me say I go destroy that girl. Una lie. He talk against me na lie. That girl no be like that, mommy. Faith no be like that. Faith is a very good girl. Now I be the woman when I tell her say, Libya papa, Bishop papa say, Libya no go fit marry the girl because the girl na single mother. You don't get picky for Nigeria and Benin girl. Bros, me know what they tell now. All those things what they do now game. They call the girl. Bros, Libya chop that girl. Bros, I don't touch this woman, bro. Now me know what they tell you. I don't touch this woman. Where I want touch this woman. I touch her for France, police no carry me. We can still go. I touch her for Italy, police no arrest me. We can still go France. I can still beat them, police no arrest me. But she they call police come the house all with day. Police no arrest me. Bros, now you they whine me. You they whine me, bro. Now small children will be. From Italy, I beat you. We can't get go France. Seek asylum together as husband and wife. They put us for the same house. We speak one story. I beat you. For government, what we still do? You know, still tell the same in a bad man. But you tell the France government, say, now this man protect you and make you not do prostitution.
No, my dear, continue. I understand you.
Relax, bro. I want that France side now, bro. See, I say now today, this matter go finish. You feel me? Everybody make it enter house. When I tell her, make she focus on her life. I don't want anything about her anymore. For me to make my decision, there is a reason, bro. You feel me? Now. That's what we do. I can't answer and say, she can't tell me, say, only more go France. Now say, no. More go Italy. More go Germany. This Germany, when I did today, when I take get document, bros. Now this Germany, I say, more quick come. It just be like, say, God, just tell me, say, now Germany go good for me. Go Germany. How would I go Germany since last year, bros? I forgot get document last year. When I get today. And they tell you true. The woman say, yes, now, thank you, man. Thank you, Miss Germany.
See, son of God, you have 10 minutes to round up this issue now. We give you 10 minutes.
No, baby, no give me time, I beg, no give me time, bro. Sorry for that.
After 10 minutes, you are round up. Everybody get where they go now. We get what you want.
Bros, no be that one we plan, bro.
Bro, try me continue. Try me.
10 minutes. People get us back. People get us back.
Now yeah, we want sleep. Now yeah, we want sleep.
10 minutes. Okay, you don't get what you want to. Everybody get what you want to.
BBL, I understand. I beg. I want to talk something.
Son of God, now your side that day. I said that yeah, we will sleep. Continue, my brother.
Okay. So now
twins.
Wait, Nati. Bros, wait now. Everybody call me bad person. I don't be bad person, bro. I was never a bad person in my life. When I did Bergamo, bros, this is my Pikin where you see so melody. I get for my Snapchat all picture when I did snap and both pictures or videos what they doing. My Pikin lowest shoe, bros.
But it could not go Bergamo again. Now you be doing enter France.
Bros, Mona listen now. I get with you on one quick talk. I bet this my Pikin swear the lowest shoe where she dey wear. I know they go Bergamo. I want just talk something. The lowest shoe where she dey wear now €75. Now till they buy them. Zalando now for the buy at things. Just like today, when I buy things for her. Melody know why she dey always dey find Papa. Because she knows that Papa, now they always dey take care of her. They buy things for her. For when we start life, just like this bicycle when I buy for her, almost 200 or something euro. That's why I still buy bicycle for her. She never buy anything for my Pikin one day. You understand? So that more we go France, more we go Italy. Now she can say, okay, more we call Mama Destiny.
Mona double tap.
Make Mama Destiny check where go good for us. Me no say the woman don't go check. What he say go check oh. You know say na Germany. When I tell him say na Germany, I say more go. He say no more go France. A pass say France go good for us. Now say what you talk? I don't understand. Which one this na Ipa?
Who be the Ipa?
Now be the native doctor. Ipa na one native doctor for Benin. The other one they not. The other they are different location. The woman just get where she they go. Now Ipa, you understand? So based on Ipa, I too they call on that side. They call on that side. Ipa. You get me so? So now I can see which one be Ipa. Me no understand. I can say okay, more they go to France, bros. I get my passport. She get her passport. My document don't expire. I did renew. You know come outside. How then you renew? You know come outside. Me, my own. It get few months to expire. When I take come outside, I forgetted that time. I don't know see this document when I put for renew, bros. Now this same woman carry my document, snap am, go give Mama Destiny. What they put down for where they put down. To God who made me. To God who made me, bro. To God who made me. This woman, she's very evil. Because of why? Because of say, I meet one woman for outside. This woman matters so when I meet for outside, we don't first settle am. We settle am normally, we can't live in peace. You understand? That Mama Destiny, she know what she do for this home. For the talk and say na Mama Destiny spoil this home, they go still say na lie. This Mama Melody, me and Mama Melody, we settle. We can't dey peace together again. You understand? We can't dey way together again. So when we can't enter road, we can't enter train, can't they go France? You understand? So when we can't enter train, we can't reach border, they can't control passport, we can't enter France. I want to start France. Oh no. We can't reach. You can't get one guy where they call Billy. The guy, she can't call the guy. I be the guy when I tell you she can't sleep with him for France. The guy they stay Nance. She can't enter train from Laval. They go Nance. They go meet the guys. They go enjoy. Me I know. Man, when marry woman for us, if the woman don't cheat, you as a man you go no now. They whine me. Anybody where I say we agree to wait and want to talk, so be it. Anybody when no agree, no problem. So we come enter France. That guy Billy now, I can tell us say if we come down for Paris, he got one of his friend where they Paris. Oh, we'll go meet now one woman. The woman is my friend for TikTok. I go share the woman, mommy later. I go share the woman account give you. May you see if you feel message the woman, ask him about these things when I can't tell when I want to tell you. Whether we come down as I tell you, now me they carry the children. Because she get belly of the last baby. Now me they carry Melody and Jasmine, carry load. We can't reach the house for Paris. We can't dey. Now there we can't take Waka. We can't go Nantes. For Nantes, now we can't seek asylum. Before we seek asylum, they can't talk. Say the boy, the bill, he can't talk. Me no know. Say the boy self, I don't dey. Whether the eye dey the woman body, me I don't know. I don't know some kind boys. Woman even get belly, your eye dey the woman body. Me no understand some kind boys. So he can't talk. Say, if the woman sick alone. Now they will quick attend to her first. All the decision where they make, bros, I agree to it. I go tell the woman say, yeah, Nantes, bro. Nantes, yeah, bro. Now we for seek asylum. I go tell the woman say, okay, fine, no problem. If you want seek Melon, no problem with children. I'm okay. I'll seek my own. You just be like, see that period there, the decision where that boy be making, God wants to use and favor me. See, the fact was just that I was not supposed to go with that woman. Go seek asylum together with the woman. I was supposed to seek separate asylum with that woman. And this for feast, see God for welcome to my, this for good for me. I would just seek my asylum alone. As I can't seek out for Germany, where things good for me today. I get my document. You understand? So this for good for me. I'm not gonna say that thing where the boy they talk. Now favor if you want use and favor me. So I agree to it. That day we did Nantes train station. Now I call the woman say the boy could carry my Melody patient, go carry with children, go the place, hospital. Go tell say make he enter the hospital. He go fall for ground, they will call police or call ambulance, or they'll call rescue and carry on. I call the woman make go. I call say the woman go, she got to come back. When I say she can never live life without me. Me dey train station because I just say make I dey that side, make I just chill. You understand? Make I dey observe them. You understand? I say, Papa, man, see how the movement won't be. I just say she go, she come back. I say, why you can't come back? He say, Papa Melody, only me no go fit do this one. Carry belly, carry children. No, I no go fit to come go seek asylum together. To God who made me. If I lie, my ancestors bear me weakness. They say, woman, I cannot go France 2017 when she get Melody belly. I give her 2,000 euro with my friend Mutaka and a woman. They gotta go. Bros, this woman no fit succeed alone for France. She come back. Mutaka wife carry Pikin, he carry belly, go Holland. She born for Holland. She stay for Holland. That get document for Holland today. This woman come back. So when she come back, go tell me say, honey, she no go fit do am alone. No. Say he carry belly, day o, Jasmine day, Melody day. Okay, let me go seek my asylum. He say make I come go seek asylum together. Any I won't be, make it be. To God who made me, I know the lie put. You understand? Because now we she talk, now be that whole seek asylum together. I can't look and say, okay, not true. But let me deal with her. Now my own. I may not go fear pardon. We go now, we go seek asylum. But we go seek asylum. The cause they not go give us house now. More go call 115. We can't go call 115. They can't give us one place more cheap. We can't find the sleep for hotel. They can't give us one place more cheap. What we can't cheap for that place now? Now there they come for find house for us where they can carry us go the house for Chateau Gautier. We very reach Lava. Before they can carry us go Chateau Gautier, they can give us apartment, 2 rooms, 1 parlor, kitchen, bedroom different. But we can't do the house. Bros, the first money where they go pay us, that was 900 or something euro. Bros, we sent all the money go give Mama Destiny. I'm gonna ask her, what did the woman they do for Nigeria? I want to start to talk my own now for France. So that period now, any money where they pay, she will send them. Now I say, Madam, why you dey send all those money? He say, Mama Destiny, they help you now. They do things for you now. What did they do for me? Me when they say they do something for bros, nothing they move for me. Nothing they move for me. One thing no they move for me, bro. I am still stuck in one place, bro. Why is it like that? But you, why can't be say you something they go well for you? But why be say me stuck for one place? What's going on? Now this one be the problem we will get for France, bro. Another problem no day. I no beat this woman one day for France, bros. God bear me weakness, bro. I never touched this woman. I never beat her. Bros, all the money we dey send every month once they pay us 600 euros, sometimes 670, 6 something. That they pay us. If we want send, we go send money, bro. We go call remember maybe sometimes we remember 200. He said that 200. So bro say, Melody where they eat for school and Melody where they eat for school. To this say we call the old school money. So Sha will come ask us ask me say, come, Mr. Abbas, what's going on? The thing say they pay. Bros, we can't go to borrow money for social hand safe. They send, they go give Mama Destiny. My own money, she sure they start to pay me for November, bros, to 200, and they pay me every month. They pay her to 200. With children money, now I will come, I gather all of them, come reach sometimes 700, sometimes 680, 670. Bros, 1 naira, all the money where they pay me for France. I go come up 50. Will they pay for the house or will they stay? 55 euro. People where they stay France, may they ask them, so doctor, you did France. Will they pay that house, that social house, 55 euro every month? Now my money, bros, that money till today, I no collect them for social. Now she go collect that money. 1 naira, no carry come up for France. So, along the line now, we can't dey. She can't say, this woman, can't they use one trick, say, I can't look at, can't they say, come, this one a trick, I've been now waiting. My mama now they disturb us. My mama won't kill my children. To God. He go call one certain time. He go say, he pass say, on the quarrel, say social will enter on our children matter. Wanna send money come, the way they do something for her. This woman, if money don't do process, she go begin carry phone, begin the cock up, they borrow money. I can't tell my mama Melody say, come. You sure say this woman no use charm, they hold you. What did they sub? What did they sub? You sure say this woman no use charm owe you. Bros, all the receipt we take the same money from January, from November 2023, can't go reach till when I come for France. You know when I not going to get receipt again, that time when they can't give her a document, you understand? She can't send the money by herself. That time when they not going to pay me again, they can't pay her. She can't collect the card from my hand. You understand? So that period now, all this money when I send, bros, I get all the receipt for my phone where spoil. I just snap them. All of them, they snap them. When I know why this woman no fit go meet police for France, she definitely know say, I want tell her the real truth. She definitely know say, anything when make her go meet police, the man where she won't confess, the man know the secret of anything where they go on between me and her. That's why they tell her say, now me and her know the secret. Now I bet this if it dey here, Mama Melody go meet police for France. Now me and you gotta seek asylum. That document where they your hand, more we see.
Wetin happen? You know they insult am again. Don't fair tell you.
I know insult am now. I know insult am. You guys insult am.
Who shall be say insult am? You insult am for you. You gotta listen to what you talk.
I got tired.
He just they measure the name according with
tired.
He don't insult anybody.
I insult am for you.
Son of God.
Yeah.
If you know say you don't tire, you feel
no, I go so round up. Just give me small minutes, I beg. I deal with you. So you get one period during the time of June. Ma can't tell you, I talk to Mama Ghost time. We give her that Mama Destiny number. You know what happen? Mama Ghost time call Mama Melody. Where we did France before she go Italy for June. You understand? You can't tell her say Alpha. You understand? So. Plus, you know, if you go police now, she know the secret. You know, me know everything now, bro. We go enter court. She go know, say.
So, leave comment section, me continue first, I beg.
No, Zadia, they talk to. She go know now, bro. She know the reason why she know for fit now. Now, me and I know the secret now. So, inside the matter now, we take on so. That period, Mama Ghost time now, he can't get issues with Mama Destiny. He can't later find out, say, the woman, he destroy people home. The woman brother, Mama Ghost time brother, and I marry Mama Destiny. Mama Destiny, this thing when I tell on right from the time from early this year, say when I come here, say, Mama Melody, they do camera down with mouth of bedroom. Mama Ghost time tell me this thing, say yes, now truth. Now wait till brother, still tell her, say Mama Destiny, they do. Now be that.
Wait, I know that sound sorry, bros. Mama Destiny, they do camera down.
Mama Melody, now the mother of my children, bro.
What I say Mama Destiny?
Bros, I bust down for inside bedroom. You know, say that bedroom, so that door for bedroom, it get where they put key. Our O for there wide. Bros, I bust her, I see him now. She know they do I see me, I catch him. When we say that I tell now, I see him. She know exactly what how they talk. I see him. You understand? I tell now what happen. Mama God's time. Come they talk, say, he call me, tell me, say what they go on. Say, he brother explain this for him. Say your Mama Destiny, they quarry confinance, say Mama Destiny, they spoil people home. He say make him tell me secrets. He get one of my video when I post one time. I go send and give you best mommy. When I can't say, when one guy can't explain, I'll send and give you. You know, because of this team, Mama Ghost time, let me post that video. You understand? So, Mama Ghost time can't tell me, say, he say, Papa Melody, I want to tell you something. This your woman. dress come up for Mama Melody. Now evil she dey do you. To God who made me this night. If Mama God's time don't tell me that word, make God when they heaven bear me weakness. Now say, madam, wait till you dey talk. But now you give Mama Melody this number now. You understand? He say yes, but he look me as a man will be say. As in, he said he can't go see look and say the time where this woman can't get issue, say she want deport herself, go Nigeria before they can't give her 2 years for Italy. She say now because of say the way I take talk to her, say me she no go. See that time she be distressed. I be good person. To God who made me. This woman say, he say he won't tell me the truth. He say whether I remember the time when I did date that girl for herself. Now say yes. He said now because of that girl, I make Mama Melody collect number from her hand. He said I give Mama Melody number. To God who made me, bro. If I lie, may the hair that I breathe bear me weakness. The sunset and the spirit of this night may they bear me weakness. I no lie for you. He say, now that time he can't tell Mama Melody say, he get wetin he go do, we go make me go back to that girl. You know, he can't tell Mama Melody, we come big or give me a Mama Melody. He and Mama Melody, they know they talk again. Oh. They know they talk, oh, they block themselves before. Till now, they know they talk. You understand? So, inside the matter, what can happen? What it happen will be correct. Mama Melody, Mama Destiny, Mama so say the God's time come Mama Melody say, Alpha, now me give you this number. I want me you block that woman. Now through me you take know that woman. You understand? Mama Melody say loud, you know go fit block Mama Destiny. Mama God's time say, why you go talk on? Now so Mama Melody bill. If you make her no person, she go betray you for that person. You betray Mama God's time for Mama Destiny. And I'm through Mama Destiny. And Mama Destiny give her the number. Make it do evil against me. Now the woman carry that matter because of say they can't disagree. Now Mama God's time call me. Look for my number. Call me. That matter I go ask for France. When I ask her this thing, if you go fit tell her truth, say you and your husband get issues because of this matter. When I talk for you, if you go fit open my tell her truth, I know say this woman everything when you go ever talk for this platform, her truth it be. And if you ever tell her truth, Mona believe say this woman I cause problem for my own. If not like this word, Sadie, no forget this word when I tell you. Mona ask this woman say now just say Mama God's time call Papa Melody last year. Tell Papa Melody this thing. I can't go ask God to follow Mama Melody the talk. Plus that matter break quarrel.
Mama, wow, they don't lock most of us inside both for this room. God for
I don't
why some men they do like
write that part down. Write that part down.
Mona write that down. I need to write that down. Mona ask the woman. If you fit come outside, answer that question. I know everything where they talk for this platform are true. And anything when they tell us say yes.
Son of God, ask that question again. Make the writer now. Ask that question again.
I said, last year June, Mama God's time call me. He could tell me say, see what did happen. Say he can later find out say, Mama Destiny a bad woman. Say they spoil people home. You understand? So he said he won't just tell me the truth because I said, what did happen? You don't call your friend. He said, no, Mama Melody, get why, Papa Melody, get why I come so, you get why I come so. This matter break quarrel, give me an for house for France. If I see God is my witness, I know the lie I put, bro. Everything when I top, bro. Now me tell you, say I know the secret of this woman. You know why if he go police? If he dare me, make it go police. See, everywhere go spoil. Now me talk, everything go spoil. I not plan to spoil everything, no. Now she bring me on social media.
The women when we carry and go police, hope now they listen.
No, listen
carry and go tomorrow morning.
Start the wait now. Start the relax. So inside the matter, Mama Destiny come tell me say, he say make a dress come up for Mama Melody because he tell Mama Melody say make it block Mama Destiny. Mama Melody say no, if he block Mama Destiny, say for her to block Mama Destiny, their relationship goes cut. He say he won't just tell me the truth. Say now because of that girl. Now me can collect Mama Destiny number from. He say make a dress come up for Mama Melody. If I lie, bros, wanna ask her this question. When I reach out, I call Mama Melody. I say that day I dey go town. I dey go buy a cigar that time. I say they smoke, bro. I say they call the smoke cigar. I know they smoke that stuff again. You understand? Now only cigar call the smoke. So for France, so inside the matter, when I call Richard, now I call this woman. I say, bro, Alpha, what's going on? See what this woman they are lying for me. See voice note. I call the plan voice note. He say now lie, bros. When this woman conscience say I catch him, he and Mama Destiny can't go twist the matter. That Mama Destiny can't go use native doctor for us threatening Mama God's time. You can't threaten. They can't twist the matter against me. Mama Destiny can't tell me say now lie. Okay, why you go come tell me say now lie? That matter break quarrel, give me a now. Say this woman, I carry your number, give this woman. Why you go come be say two of them go get issues? Then this Mama God's time call it. Tell me so and so things. Me no go come believe. But I give you the woman number. The way they give you the woman number, you say you call and tell us, bros. Now I tell know this matter. You say you call and tell and say another girl won't collect her husband. Say make Mama Destiny save her marriage. Now they hear am now. The woman come tell me say she they do evil things against me. He say Mama Gosta tell me say no they eat Mama Melody food again. He say if you know what's good for you, know they eat that woman food. I see my mama first tell me this word. I don't believe my mama. When Mama Gosta can't tell me this word, bro. Now there I continue say, mom see I carry phone. I call my mama. Say mama, I beg forgive me. I cry. I beg my mom see for 2 years when I take all this mama wish. I beg my mom see. See my family now living weakness. I beg my mom see. I cry. I shed tears. I sleep for ground. I beg my mom see. Ready for it and I beg my mom see. Ask for forgiveness from my mom see. My mom see forgive me. She tell me say my pikin I don't forgive you tete. But I just pray may God open your heart. May you feel call. May we hear from you again. That was where me and my mom started to talk. When this woman just say me and my mama called it talk, bros. Now there I come here and say, they said the woman do the thing against me for me to take hate my mama because they know say definitely know say now only my mama go feel help me against her. So if I can't come my mama wish, my mama no go feel help me. She go feel see chance to enter my body. Bros, God was with me because of the evil things she did. Yes, I'll take her. I don't reach that side. So that period she can't. Before that thing, she can't go Italy. I don't know say Italy where this woman go. That man where the family give her where she says they say supposed marry. Now one old Isha man for Ferrara. This woman can't go they sleep with her. Now when this woman from Italy come back, nothing stay change. This woman can't they travel. They go. This big time when I tell her say, bros, throughout when I did France, bro, all the money when I tell no say all the money where they pay me, no one there no dey with me. Bros, I no fit buy clothes for myself, bloody. Bros, clothes when I dey wear and clothes when I carry for social. Pikin Melody, all my children, no one will fit buy clothes for God bear me witness. If I lie, see, Melody school where they Chateau Goutier, bro. Where they go that school, where they ask that school, say, how many shoe Melody they wear come school? You feel me? If they lie, if we lie, they lie, you get one family where they stay for Chateau Goutier. The man a Benin woman, Benin man, the woman a Benin man. I go find their number later. That man, Mama Twist, I go bring that man on this platform. That man was weakness. Bros, now me they do everything for us. That man know. See, even the social for Chateau Gouti, they know how to take care of my children. This woman, when he come, that same July, so, based on say that Mama Destiny matter can't enter. That Mama Ghost time, don't bring that thing come for me. That expo, I can't know. So that period now, we can't get issues. Now where period start, issues start to. You understand? Now I be that one. Issues can't start. We can't get issues. You understand? Based on this Mama Destiny, another thing, I know cheat on now. I know they beat some more, bro. Bros, I know they beat some. I like all those beating for front. I like, bro. You know that pool. You know they exist. You know they saw, bro. Anybody went cap and say they saw, bro. There is nothing like that. All those one are John C. Cappy, bro. Not be me. And me talking. They talk all those things to take wine things against me and lie. You know they saw. You never saw one day. Bro, see our ass, for our ass to police, now just like 5 minutes, bro. To police office. The back of our house, Jordan Mary. 5 minutes. You did get me so. So that period now. That one time, well, that period, what it can happen, based on that matter, no see can clear for me, the way Mama Destiny consider twist down for me. Me and the woman consider get issues.
All those times when she dey call police for you, now for France, I be for Italy.
I say for France, bro, not be Italy. For France. I say now for France, bro. Man beat you for Italy. Una cause you gotta go in France. Una seek asylum. You know if put the man for problem. When you see grey man and seek asylum, una claim husband and wife. The man say they beat you. He say go beat you. He go beat you. Una go see there the same house. Police, you see they call police for the man. They don't see evidence. Don't carry the man go police station.
We understand that, my brother.
I have a question to ask her.
I bet more than I'll quick finish round up now, so I don't get closer. So
they don't lie.
That period now, bro, saying that period, what it can happen for that period? You can't get the day where you can't talk to my mother because the Mama Destiny can't too much. Not long say, madam, stop all those rubbish. You have to stop right now. Anything we want to stop, make it stop. You can't be like say that time my senses don't they come back when they talk to mama because it's when she knows say I don't talk to mama. The woman can't they keep Mama Destiny things concerning she and Mama Destiny private. Since when I come start to dey talk to my mama. Before I start to dey talk to my mama, she was open to me. If you and mama just need to talk, she's no longer explaining anything to me anymore. Mona see the evil woman where she be. She was no longer explaining anything. But before I started speaking with my mother, you understand? If you and mama destiny just talk, she go tell me. But when she realized that I started speaking with my family, that I wasn't speaking for the past 2 years, she now keeps her things private with the woman. That was when I knew something was wrong, according to the way my mom told me and the other pastor. And mama God's time, there were 4 people, and some of my friends were still telling me that, bro, you don't think say this woman is really against you. People will say that they help you, now they knock you down for. I don't believe. That period, I can't collect the phone for your hand. Wait till bring police, fix police come out, now be that. So when I collect the phone for your hand, she can't shout. I don't touch her more. You know, that's so she don't waka come meet me. Beat me now. I say I no go beat you. Beat me now. Bros, I no go feel like I use my hand push and throw away. I say go, I no dey beat you. My fingers, I dey always train my fingers. As I dey talk to you, I get long fingers. My fingers, they always quick grow. Now my fingers meet time for chest, bro. I know the life for anything I do. I dey always talk, bro. My fingers, now meet time for truth. I no touch her, no beat her. Now beat me now. She was forcing herself on me. So that reaction, I had to say, go, let me pass, make I come out. I no touch her, I no beat her. I no touch her, bro. That night, police come, bro. They don't take pros. Person will be person, bro, for France. They'll put you for kiri. No be say that they talk for mouth. They'll put you for kiri straight ahead. Say you touch woman for France. Now so it be. Kiri, you go. Any man when you say they carry go police station, sleep there, come outside. And normal thing for everywhere. Same person they go police station, sleep for there, come outside. They not see evidence. Now made they release the person now. That night, she can't call ambulance. Say, help me, I need help. Mona listen, I need help. Now me she they call manipulating man. I'm a narcissist. Mona listen. This woman, it got to an extent for her say if she do her problem finish, if I want to talk, she go press record for my own part. She'll call the sender and give her people. She was now putting me in that position of narcissist. To God who made me, bro. Part when I play, I can never hide down for public. Yes. You feel me so that very period now, she could come, that help me, ambulance could come. Me, definitely go outside, go carry those ambulance come up. I tell her, I go help you invite them come because I not beat you. Now me carry them come up, bro. When they come up, they call ask what did happen. I tell them, say, I don't know, maybe they talk to the person who called them and she called them. He called it, tell them, say, he beats me, he do me this, he do me that. I not talk. They call ask me, I say, no, I not do anything. I tell them, it's not me go carry on, they say yes. Now me go down, go bring them come up because clear conscience fears no accusation. That's why I did it. So that the moment now, she can't cry. Now they call police. Police come. Ambulance. That was the first police that came. Ambulance come, police. Police that come. Now that matter, she carry go put for our asylum case. I go reach there. You understand? So inside the matter now, police come. Now that day I do first video. When I send give a elder brother for Nigeria, Judumu, they are overall elder brother. May they ask that man, would I not do record? Send give that man, say, patient call police on me. Bros, that guy, the family never interfere. It just like say the family was colliding together to mix me up, bro. As you go send something, give brother now, uncle go come say, wait till come result. Bros, that guy no call me, ask me question. He no call me, ask me question. It was just like, they were ganging up against me to mix me up, bro. Honestly. You understand? So, when police come now, come video and say, during that period now, that moment now, police come handcuff me. As they handcuff me, to God who made me, Melody come to cry. Say, may they leave with Papa. Papa no beat, he did not beat my mama. He did not beat my mama. He did not beat my parent of children. Papa did not beat my mama. My papa he did not beat my mama. She come to cry. They carry me, handcuff me, carry me, come on. When I can't hear Melody tears, me can't cry, bro. I don't feel like you. I can't cry because I hear my daughter cry. They can't carry me, come out. I can't go sleep for station. Plus, the same woman, wanna pay attention to this very part. The same woman that called said I beat her. that came to this platform and start blabbing that I've always been beating her. They asked this woman, say, do you still want this man to come back to the house? She said, yes. For what reason? Why will you say yes? You dey see fire, you dey see wetin won't bite you, you go see they go meet the thing make it bite you. No. You no go fit. We no be small children. Shut, I get my case file for here for that case. They asked and say, you want this man back to the house? She said, yes. He's the father of my children. Now there the police for Chateau Gautier tell us say something is wrong. Like, why would you go see person where they beat you, you want them back to your house? It has never happened. It's not because she love me, madam. Close down your mouth. Not be that one with the talk here. Let's be realistic. Where she dey talk, no be love. If I call the talk, love, no love.
Leave all this fake account when you talk.
Yeah, no worry. I go so round up. I don't near so. So that matter, when they call ask, I'm gonna see how she tell they do evil things. So you will say no. You want make me call ask. Now you can go past my back. Can go put that matter for our asylum case. Me, I know they are aware, bro. When I see evil, I wasn't aware. The same woman that accept, madam, you call it love, oh, can't talk about the love now. The same woman that said she wanted me back home. The same woman carried the same matter, go put for our asylum case before, because we get one lawyer before. Now, woman, now one lawyer did our case. Me, she, and the children. I call it, I don't know, say when they don't put on, so share mama destiny, they all collide together. You understand? I got surprised one day the woman come meet me, say, hey, Papa Melody, you know what I can't think, if she won't do evil, and so she always they meet me with smile. He come meet me, say, Papa Melody, you know what's going to happen? We never had this thing one day. He say, I go like more we split this our asylum. I don't know, say this woman don't go carry that thing, go put for that asylum case. Say she want me to carry the matter go court. To God who made me, bro. Woman will say she want me I come back as. Mona ask her this question, say, whether police no ask and say, whether she want me I come back as, yes or no. She tell police say she want me I come back. That make me come back to that house. Mona listen, no. So I got surprised, say she come tell me, say she go like more we split the asylum case. Now say okay, no problem. Why you think I'm say she just want to say if this side no good, this side go good. Now say okay, no problem as you want. Me, bros, because me I don't tire, bro. I tell you, see that period, I don't tire, bro. I don't tire, bros. Me, I don't know whether I'm front, I can't be the good, whether I'm back, I can't be the good, bro. I was tired. I did tell you. You understand? But this morning when I tell you that they send my wife destiny, bros, for us to chop for us, no problem, it can't be. You know, because the seafood they chop for us, say, bro, money no can't day. Because my mama destiny now can't the same money give. Sometimes with the same money go put for that my brother. Bros, you feel much, I beg. With the same money put for that my brother ex-wife, that my brother wife, when I tell you, say, he did Napoli. It's Alessandra. If they go control that girl poster, with the same money put, she go send her with another account, go give mama destiny for Nigeria. Now she connect, man tell you bros, I bet you feel mood. During that process, that period there, now she can't connect my brother wife, give mama destiny.